Hello. Hello, people. Testing chat real quick. Hello. I'm first in chat as usual, I'm always first. uh, Hello, Garrett. Welcome to the stream, and how you doing, man? It's good to see you again. Wait, what the fuck? Oh, there you go. Just setting things up real quick. Doing more game dev today. I got ad. Yes, there are ads if you first press on the video. There should be no mid-roll ads for my streams, but if you press on my stream, there should be an ad like at the very beginning. Unless you use an ad block, which I really don't care. Anyways, this is like my 12th game dev stream. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, this is my 12th game dev stream, and I have not made that much progress. I mean, I made some progress, but like in 12 streams, 12 times 3, which is like 36 hours or something. Wait, is that 36? 12 times 3 is 36. Yeah, 36 hours of work. So far, I've only managed to make this, which is a little bit sad. I haven't made that much. And I still have bugs as well. I still have fucking bugs, too. Look at this. Look at this sword glitching out of reality when I stand on it. Look at this. Look at it fucking just like... Where did it clipped into the back rooms or something? I should make it so if you... Wait. You know what would be really fucking funny? If I were to make it, if you somehow found a way to glitch out of the game, it would teleport you into the back rooms. That would actually be kind of funny, Like, if you, like, get out of bounds somehow and you fall out, you can somehow get into the fucking back rooms. That would be kind of funny. Also, hello, Nutty Buddy. Welcome to the stream. Ads are for peasants. That is kind of true. That is kind of true, man. But I might make it a feature where if you can somehow find a way to make it out of bounds, you can get teleported to the fucking back rooms or something. That would be kind of funny. Though you would I don't know how you would make it to the back rooms though, because I don't know how you would actually clip out of the map unless you make it to the edge of the world. 2 plus 2 divided by 0 equals paranormal activity by Jesus Christ. Is Jesus Christ considered a zombie? Because he died, right? Jesus Christ in the stories, he died. And then he came back to life. Does that mean he's a zombie? Does Jesus Christ count as a zombie? Is that the question? Is the question. Is he a fucking zombie? I don't know. But let me just run around. This is all the progress I've made in 32 hours. But I think this... my average stream is like 3.5 hours. This is like 40 hours of work, by the way. This entire game so far is 40 hours of work. This is literally 40 hours of work, and this is all I have to show for it. Literally 12 streams. Each stream is like 3.5 hours, and this is all I have to show for it. Literally all I have to show for 40 hours of work is this. Picking up cheese. In a fucking dungeon that's empty as my brain. This is all I have in 40 hours, man. All I have in 40 hours of work. This is kind of sad. This is sad, But zombies aren't perfectly reanimated. Jesus was. Make a biblically accurate... What is a biblically accurate slime? Would it have like a million eyes or something? Like a bunch of wings and stuff? Like, what's a biblically accurate slime? But anyways, I'm gonna make some progress today, hopefully. I'm gonna make it so when you pick up this sword, you can equip it. I want to make it equipable, I think. I'm gonna make this sword equipable. Okay. To the inventory. I'm gonna try to make... it equipable. Let me see here. So on equipped, if selected items dot equipable item selected dot equipped. Okay, equip. Let me go over to item here. Do I have an equip? Yeah, okay. Equip. Make biblically accurate progress. My progress is very slow. Even biblically accurately, my progress is still slow, you know. You know how in the Bible God made the world in 7 days? In 7 days, I wouldn't even be able to make like a single dirt block. Let me see here. Okay. I want to equip this item. How would I equip this? How would I equip this? So I would have to change this. So, right use, left use, weapons. Huh. Let me see here. How do I want to do this? So, okay. So, var right hand, left hand. Slime versus 100 5-year-olds. Who would win? 100 5-year-old. I mean, 100 is a lot. Like, if it was like 10 5-year-olds, I'd probably be able to win. But 100? I mean, that's kind of a lot, man. That's kind of a lot. Biblically accurate penis. Aren't normal penises already biblically accurate? Like, does the Bible go into detail on how the penis is like described? Does the Bible describe the penis accurately? Isn't real life penises already biblically accurate? Or am I wrong? You know, I might be wrong. Who knows? Okay, I'm gonna do kick the baby. Sure, I'll kick the baby. Okay, let me see. How do I want to do this? I want to make it so you can equip items today. That's my objective today, to make items equipable. Right hand equals let me do weapons here. Fist. So I'm gonna preload my fist real quick. I'm gonna preload the fist. What the fuck did I just paste? I no clue what I just pasted, by the way. No fucking clue what I just pasted. So I'm gonna do fist, var fist here. The Bible says the penis is the consequence of sin. Does the Bible actually say that? Isn't God literally the one who created the penis? Why is he I'm very confused. Why would, I know a bit about the Bible. Like, I don't know like a lot about the Bible because I haven't really went through and read it. But I don't remember anything saying but the penis is the consequence of sin. Isn't like the penis like a natural human body thing? You use penises to reproduce, you know? Why is it sinful to have a penis? Damn, I see, you know. Well, good thing I'm a slime and don't have a penis. Give me a sec. I gotta close my window. It's a bit too bright in my room right now. Humans didn't have sex drive or reproductive organs when they were banished from Eden. I don't know, man. I've seen some of the Bible art. You know, I've seen some of the Adam and Eve art. Come on, man. They got them. Why else would they have a leaf on their dick if they had nothing down there? Like, I've seen these artworks of the Bible, like, of Adam and Eve, and they all had, like, a leaf on their penis. No fucking shot that they don't have a penis, okay? No fucking shot, okay? Like, why else would they hide their genital area if they don't have a penis? You know? If the penis was the consequence of sin, I would have a penis the size of the Big Bang. Damn. Maybe that's why they call it the Big Bang, because it's just like like someone banging, but it's just really big. They were banished because of the first sin. Honestly, I don't really get the first sin. All they do is eat a fucking apple. I don't get it. Like, what the fuck? The Bible kind of makes no sense to me sometimes. Like, the stories, sometimes they make no sense. Like, all they did was eat a fucking apple. Like, bro, it's just a fucking apple. And then God got so salty, he banished his fucking creation. Like, what the fuck, man? It's just a fucking Bible. Just a fucking apple, man. Chill your tits. Fucking chill your tits, bro. But then again, this God is the same person who flooded the world for absolutely no reason. So, I mean, yeah. Does someone know a Bible fanatic we should write a letter? I don't know many Bible stuff. I don't know. Okay, I gotta get some work here. I gotta get some work done here. Funk change weapon. Change weapon. Func change weapon. New weapon. And then I'm gonna set right. Wait. Change right weapon or left weapon? Right weapon, pass. Change left weapon, and then this could be new weapon. Okay. I honestly don't know how I'm gonna do this. I don't know how I'm gonna code this, but I'm gonna just do trial and error for now. Because I think the problem is that I overthink sometimes. So I think I just need to experiment. I just need to try it. If it doesn't work, I'll just, keep thinking. But I just need to start coding. I gotta start experimenting with how I do things instead of just like sitting here doing nothing for 10 minutes trying to think of what to do when I should actually just do it, even if it doesn't work. I'm pretty sure God said not to eat the apple. I have the Bible. If God is omnipotent, like, according to the Bible, God is all-knowing. If fucking God is all-knowing, he should know that they would have eaten the apple anyways. If he really wanted them not to eat the apple, he could have just made them not eat the apple. Slime, can you show us how to pirate Nintendo? I already did that once, and I got copyright striked for that. I'm very thankful that Nintendo did not fucking just remove my entire channel for that, I got 100,000, but believe it or not, I made a video on how to get Nintendo Breath of the Wild a couple years ago. I got 100,000 views. I got, like, most of my subscribers from that one video. I made like a couple $100 from that video, and then it got copyright striked, and then I was like, okay, I don't want to get banned, so I just deleted it. Good evening. I'm currently feeling like crap. I'm so tired, and I feel like an introvert. I am a tired little alien. I am trying. It's fine if you want to cuss, man. I don't really care. I swear all the time, I'm a little bitch who swears all the time, so I don't really care if you cuss, but. Yeah, I hope you feel better, man. I hope you feel better. We all have those days where we're tired, so I hope you feel better. I hope you feel better. Anyways, so I'm gonna do right hand. Right hand equals new weapon. Right hand equals new weapon. This is gonna be left hand equals new weapon. There we go. I absolve you of your sins. Your sins are now gone. I have sucked out all. I'm like a mosquito. I can suck out all your sins. I'm like a mosquito. I can suck out all your sins and take it for myself. Slime is a big bitch who swears all the time. Listen. As a kid, like. I went to a school that was, like, really strict on swearing. I also had really strict parents as well. They were like, no swearing. I remember getting in trouble for swearing as a kid because, like, kids aren't supposed to swear, right? So, like, teachers are like, no swearing. If we hear you swearing, you're getting in trouble. And because of that, I don't know why. It just became a habit. I would swear in secret. I was like, hey, fuck that bitch. That little shit. I was like a little mischievous kid. I would just swear in private. Like, I would just swear to myself. No one would hear me swear. I would just be swearing, like, silently. I would just be like, I don't know, I would just be like doing homework and I would just be swearing to myself. Just for absolutely no reason, because I thought it was funny. Just because I was like, oh my god, I'm saying the forbidden word, It's so forbidden to say swear words, so then I would just swear all the time. And then because of that, it became a habit, and then now I'm just like saying fuck all day. Fuck you people, Well, I came to say hi and see what happened. Have a great YouTube Blue Alien. I hope, YouTube Blue Alien. Hope you feel better, man. I think I think it's that, like, when you try to stop someone from doing something, they will do it more. Like, if you tell someone not to press the big red button, they're gonna want to do it. So I feel like, as adults, we shouldn't really, like ban swear words. Like, we shouldn't make it something so forbidden. Like, if you make something, like, such a bad word, people are gonna want to say it, People are gonna want to say it, Like, if you make something super forbidden, people are gonna want to say it. Like, if God tells people, don't eat the fucking apple. Don't eat that fucking apple. I don't know, man. I'm kind of tempted. Like, God is supposed to be omnipotent, but he doesn't know about reverse psychology? Huh? Bruh, what? Anyways, I don't know. That was kind of funny to me. Yeah, yeah, that's the lore reason why I swear so much, by the way, guys. That's the lore reason why I swear so much. Change right weapon. New weapon. Pass here, pass. Funk, change left weapon. Pass. Slime eighth. I actually don't like apples that much. I am not a huge fan of apples. Like, I don't like apples. Like, I don't really like apples. To be fair, I don't really like most fruits. Like, I don't like most fruits. Like, I think watermelon is overrated. I think it's better than an apple, but I still think it's overrated. I'd rather like eat something like tastier, you know. That's a very controversial opinion apparently, but yeah. I am allergic again. People can be I knew a guy in my high school who was allergic to water. Like, not even joking. Like, when it was raining and humid out, his skin would get like red and stuff. Like, I don't know, but apparently I knew a guy that was allergic to water. So that was a very interesting time in my life where I met a guy who was allergic to water. Yeah, he was allergic to water, guys. Let me do this. I'm gonna put this in here. Put this in here. Last time I ate an apple, I had to call an ambulance because I was genuinely dying. Holy shit, man. How severe is your allergy? Because I know there are some people are like allergic to things, but like on a scale. I know some people are like severely allergic to something, and something like slightly less allergic, where you can eat something and be like mostly fine, but then you'd get iffy. But like there are people who are like super allergic, where if they just touch it, they just die. And I don't know what Garrett is spamming. I'm not reading all that, man. I'm just saying I'm not reading all that. That's way too many words, bro. That's way too many words. Okay, fist. How do I want to do this? I don't know how I want to do this, honestly. Change new weapon. Okay, let's figure this out. Let's figure out how I want to do this. Pretty severe, but cooked apples doesn't cause a reaction for some. So you can eat like apple pie. I think apple pie is pretty good. Apple pie is pretty dang good. Okay. I gotta make some progress here. It's me. Hello, Brownie, man. Hello, how's it going, Brownie? Welcome to the stream, man. Hope you're having a good day. I am doing more game dev today. More skibbity game dev. Yoo-hoo. Woohoo! Skippy game dev. Let's go, baby. What's up? I'm trying to make an equipment system now. I'm trying to make my player be able to equip things now. I want to make my player be able to equip weapons. That is my game plan. And then next, I want my player to be able to pick up armor and stuff. I'll have to see how I do this though. Let's see here. Let's see. Right dot q dot child. Wait, how do I get my right player? Wait, player. Wait, okay. Var right weapon equals player dot what's it called? Player dot right hand, I think, was it? Yeah, it's player dot right hand. I'm gonna put a note here. This is weapons and equipment. Equipment. I also gotta do stats as well. Fuck, I gotta do stats. Simplified sentence. The word for when you're not told to do something, want to do it more, is called psychological recitance. It describes the natural human tendency to resist restrictions on your freedom, often leading to a stronger desire to do the forbidden thing. Yes, that is true. That is true. Like reverse psychology. Brownie, do you think the reproductive organs are the result of the first sin, or humans had them before the banishment? I don't know, lol, slime. Remember King Jeeb? I'll add him eventually, I'll add him eventually. Bars? I gotta add stats as well, I gotta add stats to the game. I'm gonna add stats. What stats should I add? Var strength, var int var dex intel dex var constitution. I guess I can do defense here. I'll add him eventually, you know. Also, God created humans in his image, right? So if humans have a penis, God must have a penis too, you know. God must have a penis. You know, it's only logical that he would have a penis. Right dot right dot how am I gonna do this dot right weapon dot q free? Is this gonna work? I honestly don't know if this is gonna work or not. Right dot right weapon equals q free. Hopefully this works. I don't know. Left weapon dot left weapon dot left weapon dot q free. Yes, you really want me to add King Jeep, don't you? I'll add him eventually, you know. I'll add him eventually. I'll figure it out. Okay. How to remove all children? Wait, I'm gonna figure out. How do I remove all children? I don't know if this is gonna work or not. How do I remove all children? How do I remove all children? I gotta remove the children, you know, gotta remove the children from existing. But what if the original humans didn't have a penis, but got it after sinning? So God as a sinless being doesn't have one. Like, God created everything, right? So that means he also created sin. Does that mean, is he really sinless though? I don't know. Like, if he's omnipotent, that means he should be everything, right? So he's sinless while not being sinless at the same time, you know? It's the paradox of being omnipotent. But also, you know, if God is really God, he must have a very big penis, you know? You know, if he really is the father of all humans, then he must have a really big penis, right? Right, guys, right? He must have like a massive penis. Like right. He must have one, right? How do I kill all children? I need to figure out how to kill all children here. Godot remove all children nodes. I'm gonna try to search this app. How do I remove all children? I want to remove all children. Get children. Q free. Okay, remove child. Okay, there should only be one child at all times. So I'm gonna just remove the child that there is. Remove child. Remove child. Does remove child work? Remove child. Right dot remove child. Stop killing children. Sorry, I can't help it. I just have a really bad habit of murdering children, man. I just have a really bad habit of murdering children. Okay, remove children. Func remove all children. Child in get children. Child remove children. Okay, I'm gonna remove all the children. I'm going to remove all the children. Because the children cannot be here. They must be removed. They must be removed. Child. Why does this not work? What am I getting an error for here? For child in right.get children. Why am I getting an error here? What the fuck? Hello? Use space for indentation instead of tab before, huh? What does that mean? Oh, okay. I think I got it to work. Okay. Okay. This removes all the children. 5 plus 5 times 5 minus 5 divide by 5 equals x. Have fun. 5 minus 5 is 0. So 0 times 5 is 0. 0 plus 5. Wait, is that a plus? Yeah, it's a plus. 5 plus 0 is 5. Divide by 5 is 1. X equals 1. Stop killing. That's illegal. Listen, the officers are also in it with it. The officers are in the crime as well. They're helping me with this. Okay, they're helping me with the crimes. You know, they're helping me with the crimes. Okay. So right weapon. So wait. Okay. So that removes the thingy majiggy. That removes all the children. Right weapon. This keeps track of the current weapon. So I want to change the weapon here. So new weapon equals left weapon here. So okay. So player dot right weapon equals new weapon. Okay. It took some time, but I got something. What'd you do again? What'd you do? What'd you get, my man? What'd you do? What'd you do? I don't know if I should be worried about what you did or not, because everything you do is always suspicious. My chat is always weird, so I cannot tell if you guys are up to something devious. A cylindrical, bro. What is the difficulty? The difficulty of your fucking math problem increased a lot. Like at first you just made me do basic order of operation, and now you're making me do like integrals and calculus. What the fuck? That's a fucking integral. That's a fucking integral symbol, isn't that? That's a fucking integral symbol. I see an integral symbol. And I see factorial and ln and sine and pi. You're not making me do that. Okay? I finished high school and I'm no longer ever gonna look at calculus ever again, man. Fucking calculus in high school raped my ass so fucking hard. Okay? It fucking raped my ass. Okay, that was god awful. I'm not doing that shit ever again, man. Okay. Right dot add child. It's like pie. We like pie, not pie. That is so true. We like pie, not pie, guys. We like pie, not pie. So we're gonna do left dot add child. There we go. This should work, I think. Okay, so this changes the current weapon. Current right weapon. This keeps track of it. This keeps track of all the current equipment. Tomato, all the same. I don't like tomatoes, you know? I don't really like tomatoes. I like tomatoes when it gets turned into sauce. I like ketchup, but I don't like eating raw tomatoes, you know? And that's not very controversial, is it? Is that controversial to say that tomatoes kind of suck? They're kind of plain. They don't really taste good. I see like movies and like fictional stories where people bite into a tomato, like a fresh tomato without cooking with it. They're like, "Oh, this tomato is so sweet. I love it." And I'm like, tomatoes are not sweet. They're like, yeah. They only taste good when you turn it into like paste and ketchup and stuff. Like I like tomatoes on pizza, but not like tomatoes, you know? I knew it, you sinful tomatoes suck balls, okay? Eat a fresh tomato with salt. Listen, I have eaten a fresh tomato. It was whatever. It was you know. Listen, I'm not a healthy person. I don't like most fruits, okay? I don't like apples. I don't like tomatoes. You know, I don't like most shit, okay? I don't really like most shit. Okay, I gotta figure this out. So I'm gonna do item. Where's my item? Where's my item scene? Item scene. I'm gonna wait. Why do I have an error? Oh, right. Okay. I'm gonna do an export var weapon. Export var weapon. I'm gonna export. How do I export a scene? Scene. Can I export a scene? I wanna make it so you can put in a scene. How do I, I don't like mangos. I don't like mangos either. I do not like, I like figs. Figs are good. I like figs. I don't like pears. I don't remember what a persimmon is. I like figs. I like fig. That's pretty much it. Wait, what else do I like? I don't like mangos. I think mangos are straight ass. You know what I do like, though? Durians. Wait, is durians what I'm thinking of? It's a spiky thing, right? Durians. It's the one that everyone says smells really bad. I don't know why people dislike durians. I love durians. Durians are fucking delicious. They're so good, and people are like, ugh, it smells like ass. Like wow, wow, wow. Like bro, fucking stop being a bitch and eat a durian, man. Slime never ate. I don't know. Mangoes suck balls. I hate mangoes. Mangoes are poop. Tastes like poop. Poop. Absolute manure. Straight shit. Shit, you know? Yeah. 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 How does it feel to have your favorite fruits dunked on? Yeah, your favorite fruits are dunked on. How do I export a scene? Because I want to put a scene in. How do I put a scene in here? I forgot. I want to export a scene so I can Node 3D. Is it Node 3D? I guess I can do Node 3D. Yeah, I can do Node 3D. Do you like jackfruit? I like jacking. I mean jackfruit. What's a jackfruit? Have I eaten a jackfruit before? I like jackfruit. I think I've eaten this before. Yeah, it's pretty good. I like it. Yeah, I do like it. I didn't know its name. I've actually eaten it before, but I never knew what its name was. Slime, are you a vegetarian? No. I hate fucking fruits and vegetables, okay? I'm literally the most unhealthy person you'll ever find. Like, I love, like, salty shit. So, I don't like strawberries, man. I don't like strawberries. People are gonna, I swear to God, people are gonna, you are ignoring me again? What'd you say? This question involves algebra, exponents, factorials, logarithms, I'm not reading all that because I do not know all those, mathematical bullshit, okay? Those are too much mathematical bullshit. I'm not gonna read all that mathematical bullshit, okay? Strawberries are nah, they're straight ass, bro. They're straight ass. I don't know what you're talking about, man. They're straight ass. They are so fucking ass. So fucking ass. I mean they're not okay. I like strawberry flavored stuff, but I don't like strawberries themselves. I like strawberry flavored stuff, but not strawberries. Strawberries can eat my fat ass for all I care. How do I put a scene inside of a? How do I export a scene? Godot, how to export scene variable. How do I export a scene variable? That's what I want to do. How do I node? I want to put a scene in here. How do I do that? Mass unfollowing of Slime in February. I'm leaving. You guys really hate my... Listen, I just don't like most fruits, okay? Most fruits are just kind of bad. Weapon... String? I guess I can put a string in here, maybe? I guess I can try string. Var string. Let me do this. Can I do this? Can I just do copy and paste that in? I don't know if that works. Can I want to export a scene. I gotta go too. Need to take my meds. Have a good day, guys. If you guys are actually leaving, have a good day. No, you can't. Can't what? Okay. I'm gonna do that, maybe. I don't know how I'm doing this. I don't know if I'm doing this correctly. So I want to assign a weapon to an item. Var preload. Var weapon path. Var weapon equals preload weapon path. Does this work? I don't know if I can do this. It must be a constant string. I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to do this. You can't paste it. I will return. Okay. Have a good day if you guys are leaving. The answer to the question I asked is I don't know what those words are. Min2793. Listen, I'm not reading all that, okay? I'm not reading all that. That's too much fancy words. How do I export a scene? I want to export a scene that can be drag and dropped in. Export. How do I export a scene? Resource? Is it resource? Let me see here. I want to export a at export var weapon resource. Resource. Is it resource? It worked. Okay, it worked. Resource works. Okay. Weapon or resource works. Okay. Open scene. Let me see how this looks. So it opens up this. Okay. That does work. I can do resource. Resource can work. Okay. I am one step closer to making my inventory equipment system here. This is still a little bit of trouble, you know, still a little bit of trouble. Add child. Do I have to instantiate? I think I might have to instantiate it first, though. I think I might have to instantiate it. No, okay, let me... Let me do this. So this is the... How do I... Okay, this is a scene. Okay, that's a scene. How do I instantiate a resource? Wait, how do I want to do this? Shit. So item... So, okay, so... The item scene... I can export the resource. I can put that in there. Can I just instantiate it? So on equip press dot instantiate. Instantiate? Does that work? Dot selected dot weapon dot instantiate. Wait, let me check here. Actually, let me go to item. Weapon. Okay, if the weapon type, if item type is equals to weapon, if item dot selected dot type equals weapon, then we do this. Okay, we do this, and we dot weapon dot instantiate. And then we do dot equipped, I think. Dot equipped. Item. Do I have a dot equipped? Why do we even have a dot equipped here? Does that even do anything? So we do I have a player in here? Do I have a player script? I do. Okay, player. Is this a right-handed one? Okay, I need to check if this is a right hand. Weapon R. So wait, so I need to check if this is a right hand or a left hand weapon. I guess I can just export another variable, I guess. I can export just another variable, I suppose. Export. I'm gonna do export armor as well, just in case for later. I want to add armor as well. Actually, I don't need to export armor since the player won't be able to see their own armor. So at export, which side? Var weapon side. Weapon side. This can be a string. Well, this is right or left. This is right or left. Right or left here. This requires a lot of steps, man. This requires a lot of steps. I feel like I fucked up somewhere already. But, I guess we'll see. Okay, I can delete the... Why do I have random chunk, like, scenes open? What the hell? Okay, let me, The fist is not an item, so... I don't need to worry about that, right? Okay, I'm gonna test run the game just in case it doesn't run, just in case it crashes or something. I'm gonna run the game to make sure it actually runs first. I'm gonna make sure the game runs. Yeah, it runs. Okay, thankfully it still runs. Okay, it does crash when I do this. Invalid access to property rigid body. Rigid body, what? Invalid access property. .equip.press. .type. .type? Item type, sorry. It's meant to be spelled item type. I keep forgetting it's item type and not just type. Okay, .weapon.instantiate. And then I guess I can do player.equipped. Player. Player dot change right hand wait. Player this requires a lot of steps, man. This requires so many steps. Like there's like this is hard to kind of keep track of, I must say. This is the inventory. Where was I? So I'm here. This is where I'm at. So this instantiates the item. So let me check the item instantiation again. So this should instantiate the weapon resource. This should. This is a packed scene. It should instantiate that. Hopefully, if that works, it should instantiate. Once that's instantiated, I could go to the weapon scene, or I should go to the player. I guess I should do the player. And then, do I have inventory in here? The inventory should be in here, yeah. Inventory.change right weapon. Right weapon. New weapon here. There we go. And then this can be changed left weapon. New weapon. Player dot change right weapon. Right weapon. Var new weapon equals this. I am making a lot of like code that I don't know if it works or not. I could be making like some logical flaw somewhere. If this entire like chain of code I'm making could just be completely incorrect. So I do not know, and I'm concerned a bit. So if it's item type weapon dot weapon side equals right, then we do right side change. Else, then we do left side change. We do left side change. Okay. And then we're gonna what are we gonna do? We're gonna go to sword. We're gonna put right. Wait, where'd the fucking huh? Oh wait, that's not the sword item. That's just the sword. This is gonna be right side. So I need to go. Where is the weapon side? There should be an exported variable called weapon side. Where is it? Hello? Where is weapon side? What the fuck? Where the fuck is weapon side? What? I am so confused. Where is weapon side? So this is weapon. I exported var weapon side. Oh, did I not save that? I think I need to save that. Let me... Where's weapon side? What the fuck? Where the fuck is weapon side? Oh, right here. It's all the way at the bottom. Okay. This is the right side. That's gonna be the right side weapon. Okay. This is a lot of steps I'm doing. A lot of steps. I probably made a mistake somewhere. Probably. What do I need to do? So this queue's free. This adds weapon. Okay. Let me test this. See if this works. Probably doesn't. Probably made a mistake somewhere, or probably forgot a step or something. Use, and it disappeared. Okay. My sword disappears when I use it. That's not good. Okay, equip that call. Non-existent call. Oh wait, this is I need to reference the weapons, not inventory. That's wrong. I need to reference weapons here. Weapons dot change change right weapon. Weapons. Okay, that's what I need to do. Weapons dot change left weapon. Okay. Okay, that should work. Should, should. Um, okay. Equipped and still crashed. Okay. New weapon. Invalid access of node 3D on a base object of type character 3D. What? Node 3D. This is right weapon. Invalid access of property key right weapon with value of type 3D. What? New weapon. What is that? Invalid. Okay, assignment of property key right weapon with value of type node 3D on a base object of type. So what type am I assigning? Okay, the way they printed this error message is a bit confusing to me. Okay, so I have an error somewhere. We know that. We know we have an error somewhere. I don't see what the issue is here. So I'm apparently assigning a character body 3D. Is my item a character body 3D? Is that what I'm doing wrong? Wait, is this a character body 3D? Change type. What type is this? This is a rigid body 3D. Is it because I'm assigning a rigid body 3D to that? Oh, wait. I assigned, rigid body 3D. Wait, no. What type is my sword? This is a node 3D, right? My weapon is a node 3D. What am I doing wrong here? Weapons? Node 3 head? Weapons. Wait, right hand. Where's my right hand and left hand again? Where's my right hand and left hand? It's right here. Okay. Ready? I don't think I... Yeah, okay, equipment might... Okay, I thought that the inventory was going to be the difficult part, but that was just the first step. The inventory was the first hill I needed to climb. It's like, I need to climb 10 different mountains here. I only managed to, climb the first mountain. And that was the inventory system. Now I need to figure out how to equip things. And that's even tougher now. It's even fucking tougher. God fucking damn it, this is difficult. Add child. This doesn't work. What if I just remove this? Let me just remove this for now, just for testing purposes. Let me remove that. Let me remove that just for testing purposes, so I can see if I can actually equip it. A spherical container with a radius r ln 10 plus e meters is being filled with a mysterious liquid, huh? I wonder what that mysterious liquid is. Oh, okay, wait, okay, I changed equipment. Wait. That kind of worked. Okay. This kind of worked. Let me show this on screen. It didn't exactly work, but it kind of worked. It kind of worked. Kinda, just kinda. Let me see here. It kind of worked. Equipped. See? It kind of worked. Yeah, it kind of worked. Kinda. I need to still make different... I need to change how it holds the sword and stuff, but it kind of worked. Look at that. Woo! Woohoo! Kind of worked. Now I still need to figure out the rest, though. Okay, why am I'm literally stuck inside of this deer for some reason. Fucking hell. Okay, the swords are still glitching, and that kind of bothers me. Listen, I'm not answering all that, Garrett. That is way too fancy-pantsy math for me. I can't do math. My math skills aren't that good, okay? My math skills are not that good. Well, okay, I think, let me try remaking my collision shape. Because I'm thinking maybe it has something to do with, yeah, let me add another collision shape here. Collision. Add child mode. Collision shape. 3D. Let me add a collision shape. Let me make this a box. I don't know if maybe it was because I upscaled my my collision. That's why my thing was glitching out or not. But I'm gonna test this doing this. I want to see if this will fix the collision issues I had. Express your answer in terms of pi, e, and listen. I don't know how to do that. Maybe I knew how to do it at one point in my time in my life, but I definitely don't know how to do it now. Okay, I don't know how to. I have a feeling that you're just saying mumbo jumbo at this point. You're saying mumbo jumbo. Like those aren't real words. Oh wait. Wait. Okay, never mind. I was gonna be like, oh wait, it's not glitching out of the world. It is. It's still glitching. It's still glitching out of the world. Okay. 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 Let's see here. I've gotten the first step. The first step is kind of complete. This is item type. This is a weapon. Item name. Item quantity. Okay, let me go back to my item. I think I need to do weapon type as well. At export weapon type. At export var weapon type. String. Because this is gonna affect how I hold my weapon and stuff. This is gonna affect how I hold my weapon. I'm gonna do weapon type. Where's weapon type here? Go to here. This is gonna be sword. This is gonna be sword. I gave you the answer. Since the liquid surpasses the sphere's capacity. Listen, even if you give me the answer, I still don't know what that means. I still don't know what that means, man. Okay. Now I just need to change how I fight, I think. Let me go back to weapons here. And, okay, I give you the answer. Are you happy? I mean, I guess. I never asked for you to tell me the answer. I really never asked for the answer. And I also didn't ask for the question either. So, I guess. I guess, sure. Sure, I guess so. Sure. Okay. Okay. Let's, we gotta change our attacks now. We gotta change the types of attacks that we have. Right attack dot play. So how do I do a match statement again? In Godot, what's a switch statement? Godot switch statement. Godot switch statement. Match. Okay, in Godot, it's called match. Match. Okay, it's called, for now, I need to get the, what is the player holding in his hand? God damn it, learn slime, listen, I probably learned this at some point. I just forgot everything, okay? I probably learned it at some point in my life. Okay, you know, I finished high school, Okay, I am not a high school dropout. I probably learned at some point. You know, and I really don't want to relive my PTSD of learning calculus or whatever, or an integral calculus or whatever the fuck that is. Okay, I need to figure out how to get the player, the equip system. So this is this crashes the game for some reason. I don't know why this crashes the game in particular. This in particular crashes the game. Right weapon and left weapon. Those should be node 3Ds, right? Right hand, wait, no, wait. Right hand, not right weapon. Player dot right hand dot new weapon. Left hand? Wait, let me see if this works. left hand. I returned. Welcome back, Nutty Buddy. I'm still working on my weapon system here. This is a little bit tricky. This is still a little bit tricky, you know. This is a little bit tricky on how to figure out how to get my weapon equipment system work. I will give you PTSD, so learn. You're really forcing. I don't care, Gare. I don't want to learn. I don't want to learn calculus. Okay, I don't want to learn fucking Oh, okay, that worked. That worked. That fucking worked. Okay, that fucking worked. Okay. That worked. That worked. That worked. Okay, that worked. Player dot right hand match player dot right hand dot weapon type. Okay, that should work. Let me see how they do a switch statement again. So switch statement, sword. Wait, fuck. Ah, fuck. My brain. Let me just do pass for now. Let me do pass. I need to figure this out something. What if they're not holding a weapon in their hand? That's why I haven't considered yet. What if they're not holding a weapon? Oh my god, my brain is being wrecked right now. Dot right hand dot weapon type. Do I have to add a script on my fists with weapon type on it? Angry Slim. Hello, Pawn X Pawn. Welcome to the stream, and how are you doing? Hope you're having a good day. I wouldn't really say I'm angry, even though my VTuber model looks kind of angry. I'm more just trying to figure out how I'm gonna do an equipment system for my game right now. Trying to make my player be able to like change weapons and stuff, and that's it's quite tough because I'm not very good at this. Like I was so happy last stream when I created my inventory system. Now I need to take it to the next step. I need to take it to the next step. That is actually making it equip stuff. My meds make me sleepy. My dentist did tell me how dentists use adrenaline to mimic the pain-killing and blood-stopping effect cocaine had. Just think about how crazy cola was with. That is very interesting fact. I could not read that for some reason. I am back. Hello, back. I'm Slime. Nice to meet you back. Also, welcome to the stream. Hope you're having a good day. Okay, I'm gonna do. What if instead of equipping the actual item, we just equip the name or the type of the armor? Fuck, my brain is melting right now. My brain is actually melting. Fuck. Oh, dear Lord, my brain is melting. My brain is melting. Okay, so the problem here is the fisses. Unless the fisses right now aren't an item. That's the problem. They aren't an item. But wait, they are a weapon though. Wait. How did I do this? This, Tommy will get his teeth removed as well. He will join me in my suffering. I am now gonna be playing Finnish Cabin Mayhem with a friend. See you later. Hello, now gonna be playing Finnish Cabin Mayhem with a friend. See you later. I'm Slime. Nice to meet you. Also, have a good day, man. Have a good day. Thank you for joining anyways. I need to figure out how the fuck to get this to work. Way too many scripts. Okay, so this... Okay, first things first, it starts off here. This is where it starts. So, new weapon. This is the new weapon. This is where everything starts. It starts here. This is new weapon. Listen, Garrett, I'm already busy trying to learn how to do game dev. I don't want to learn math, okay? I don't want to learn math. I am busy learning game development, not math, alright, bro? Alright. This is weapon type, item type weapon. This instantiates it. This is right. New weapon. Do I need to create, okay, weapon type. Do I have a weapon type? Huh. Um. Hmm. Hmm. So this sword. Let me just sword, fist, pass, spear, and then pass. I think I only have 3 different types right now. Wait, I'm gonna put this here. Okay. Right now, I'm not gonna worry about my left fist right now because my left fist won't be able to hold some of these weapons. They're only gonna be able to hold a shield and a dagger or something. So I'm not gonna worry about the right fist, right hand for now. Weapon type. I don't have a weapon type though. What the hell? So player dot right hand. Weapons right hand equals new weapon. Right hand. So this changes right hand to the new weapon. How do I check what type? I think I might need to create a script with weapon type. Oh wait, it does have a weapon type. What the fuck? It does have okay. A weapon type. Yeah, okay. This might work. Okay, this could work. This could work actually. I need to do fist dot area 3D. Okay. Also, hello, Aaron Wood and Bubba Boogs VR. Welcome to the stream, guys. Hope you guys are having a day. For a simple fix for the now weapon in hand issue is creating a blank weapon that is just an empty node and is equipped. Right now, I'm trying to figure out how to get the equip system working. I created an inventory system, and I'm still trying to figure out how to get the equip system working. Because right now, I don't know how to keep track of what the current weapon is, because there's gonna be different types of weapons. There's gonna be like there are different animations for different types of weapons. I need to store what the current type is. It's a little bit confusing right now, but I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna figure this out. So this is the sword. Can I do? Wait. Answer the question. You have 10. I'm not gonna do math on stream, man. I'm here to do game development, not here to do calculus, okay? I'm not here to do calculus, Mr. Garrett. I don't want to do calculus on my stream, okay? Okay, wait, okay, so this is the right hand. Dot get. Can I do dot get area 3D? Wait, so I have this sword dot get child. Huh. What if should I just duplicate? It feels kind of I guess I could just duplicate this script onto the parent. Because right now, I have a reference to this source. So basically, in my player script, I have the reference to the parent node of this weapon. But the thing is, the data on where what the weapon type is in the area 3D. Can I do sword.get area 3D? I don't think I can do that, right? There's 2 childs, so, wait. Dot get children too. Wait, let me see if that works. Because my thing is always structured so that the area 3D is second. So what if I do get child and then wait, get children, Godot get children. Get children returns an array, right? You can reference the parent from the area. I don't have the reference to the area. I have the reference to the parent right now. So basically, what I have is it's a little hard to explain. Like this code is pretty complicated. Like not really complicated, but there's like a chain of things. Like as you can probably tell, I'm a new game developer. I'm very inexperienced. So I'm just trying to figure this out from basically I have this equip button that equips instantiates the parent. Basically, I have a weapon item, here that has a scene of the sword. I'm pretty sure this references the parent, I think. So like I have a sword scene that is in here that's exported here, and I dragged it dropped in here. That is stored in this item. When I equip it, it instantiates that. And I equipped it. So right now I have this. I have the parent. What I want to get is the What I want to get is the information inside the area 3D. I'm not really good at explaining. I'm not really good at explaining here. I'm not good at coding, so I'm not really good at explaining what I'm doing. I'm just trying to like figure it out right now, you know. But I could do get children gives me an array, right? You hobo file probably. What the hell is going on in my chat right now? I'm trying to do game development, and you guys are like calling each other cowards. Thursday, I told you, you fucking hobo. Damn. What information do you need from area weapon type? Basically, when I first created this, I created weapon type. Wait, why did I put this in area 3? Wait, I'm starting to really doubt my entire game right now. I'm starting to doubt my entire fucking game. Wait. Should I just replicate? Wait, I guess I could just, wait, can I just do this? I guess I can just do that. I guess this works, right? This just works, right? Fist, where's my fist? I guess I can just duplicate that. I mean, it seems a little inefficient, but I could literally just do that. I could just put the script onto the parent as well. I could just do this. Wait, see if this. If it works, it works. I'm not gonna. If it works, it works. Let me just try this. This feels kind of inefficient because I have to copy the script twice, but if it works, it works. I mean, I'm gonna test it out. I don't know for sure if it works, but I'm gonna test it out. Let me check that everything works here. So this plays left sword. This plays the sword, and this plays the spear. I don't have a spear weapon yet. I haven't worked on the spear yet, but let me try this. Okay, let me actually test this to see if it works or not. Let me see if this works. Let me test this out here. All right, let's see here. Let's see if this works. Okay, where's my sword? Let me pick up a random sword here. Let me pick up a random sword. And it crashed. Fantastic. What? Why did it crash? Why the fuck did it crash? Frick. Wait. Man. It worked before I added that. It worked. Now it's just crashing. Nil. Weapon type on base object nil. Oh, because okay, I need, okay, I think I know what the issue is, because when I first start the game, I haven't assigned a weapon to the player yet. So I need to assign that, I think. Let me preload my fisses. Sounds kind of weird to say. I need to preload my fisses. I need to preload my fisses, guys. Let me go to my. Why do I have so many like player scenes? What the hell? Okay, let me just go to my weapon here. Let me go to my weapon. I'm in my weapon. Is this my weapon script? I'm so confused. What the fuck? Do I have a weapon? Wait, what? Why does this not have its own name? Wait, huh? I'm so confused all of a sudden. Wait. Do these scripts not have their own name? Wait, so for some reason, I'm really confused there for a second. Slime is destined to fist all innocent dorses? Listen, when I create them as sinful creatures. They're not innocent, okay? They're not innocent. Wait, okay, what in the world? Wait, I'm so confused. I'm so confused. Wait, where are these scripts? Wait, where the fuck are these scripts? Do these scripts not exist? What? Huh? I'm really confused all of a sudden for some reason. I'm gonna delete that all of a sudden. I'm really confused. I don't know what happened, but I'm really confused all of a sudden. Let me try to figure this out though. I think I'm just gonna ignore these scripts. For some reason, these scripts have really weird names, and they don't exist for some reason. Are these like derived scripts? What the hell? What the fuck are these scripts? I don't know. You know what? Whatever. 4 minutes. Listen, Garrett, I told you I'm not gonna answer it. Okay, let me just go to my weapon script. I'm gonna go assign some weapons here. Change right hand, change left hand, change right hand, change left hand, change right hand. I'm gonna also put the fist in here. This is var fist1 equals fist.instantiate. This is honestly so fucking scuffed. I swear to God, I'm doing this in the most scuffed way possible, I feel like. Fist 1 and fist 2. Fist 1 and fist 2. That should make it work, I think. Okay, that should assign fist 1 and fist 2. If it fucking works. No, it didn't. What the hell? What the hell? What the fuck is going on? What the fuck? What the fuck? Hmm. Hmm. What in the world? Let me, so this is gonna create the idol, I think. Fist idol, sword idol, idol, fist idol, idol, idol. This, I don't need this for now. Let me see this. Let me see what is wrong here. Invalid access to weapon type. What do you mean invalid access? What do you mean? There should be, literally I have a weapon type. So this is my fist. There is a weapon type string here. What? What? Why does that not work? There should be a weapon type. Where is the issue? Oh, wait. I assigned the wrong thing. Okay, I for a sec there, I assigned the mesh, not the actual fistine. I need to assign the fistine and not the mesh. Typical of slime to dispose of those no longer needed. Listen, it has nothing to do with capitalism. It's just it is how it is, you know? It's just how it is. What the hell? Oh, wait, okay, shit, fuck. Okay, I think we're close. I think we're close to getting this to work. I think we are close to getting this to work. I think we're close to getting this to work. We'll have to see here. Sword. I think Garrett is really trying to just make me answer any question. Garrett, I'm not gonna answer your question because I don't know how to answer math questions, bro. Okay. Wait, let me just remove this. Okay. I think I got to work. Okay. Let's see, guys. Let's see. See if I can show this working. If I can show this working, that would be hype as fuck. It would be super hype. Slime, how long will you stream? Probably for like 2 more hours, like an hour and a half maybe. Okay. My fists are spawned. My sword is equipped. Look at this! I got it to work! Literally super scuffed, but I got it to work, guys. I got it to fucking work. Oh my god, they stole my cheese. They stole my fucking cheese. Stop stealing my cheese. Is it just me or is my sword animation look kind of scuffed? My sword animation looks kind of scuffed. Probably longer than I can fight against my meds that want to make me sleep. I see. If you are tired, you can just go to bed, Nutty Buddy. If you're tired, feel free to go to bed, man. If you are tired, like, you should go to bed. Like, don't worry. I'll stream again. It's not like this is the last time I'm ever streaming, you know? It's not like I'm gonna die all of a sudden. It'd be really embarrassing if I did die afterwards. But, you know, if you are tired, go to bed. Whoop. I did get it to work. But, oh, what the fuck? Why? Huh? What is this for? I need to turn. Okay, I'm gonna turn on my debugger. I'm gonna turn profiler on, because for some reason I just got a massive fucking frame drop for some reason. What the hell was that frame drop? What is this fucking frame drop? What? What is this? Okay, you know what? I need to see what is causing this frame drop. It just happened out of nowhere. What the fuck is this frame drop? Huh? What caused that fucking abysmal frame drop? Oh my god, what? What the fuck? What the fuck was that? Huh? Okay, I'm gonna need to figure this out. What was that frame drop? That was like one of the most abysmal frame drops I have ever seen in my life. What in the world? I don't know what that frame drop was, honestly. I'm gonna try, like, huh? I'm so confused. What is causing this massive frame drop? So my spawn chunk is not the issue, I don't think. I just realized your brain is fucked, so I shall leave you alone. That would be a good idea, because I'm probably not going to be able to answer most of your fancy pantsy, what's it called? Your fancy pantsy, questions. What is wrong with this thing? Seriously, what is wrong with this fucking thing? What was that abysmal frame drop just now? What was that abysmal frame drop? I don't know what that was. What? It just came out of nowhere, too. What? That frame drop, it wasn't dropping frames last stream. And suddenly this stream it just starts fucking dying. Actually just started dying out of nowhere. Physics process. Wait, what? I think it might be physics process. Physics process. State physics process. It is the issue is the physics process, it seems. Okay, that was not very good. Okay, it dropped, wait, it dropped to like 2 frames or something. This is like what, 2 frames per second? What is that? It's gotta be like 2 frames per second, right? That's 150, that's 6 frames per second. It dropped to fucking 6 frames per second. What is wrong with this thing? Physics process. The problem is in the state machine. It's in the wander state of the fucking creature. What is wrong with the wander? What is wrong with my and? I think the problem is the wander state. Okay, let me check. Let me check the creature wander state. Something is wrong with the wander state of my creature. Wander state. What is causing the fucking massive ass frame drop? So it plays the move animation. It sets the speed scale to 1. It goes in the direction of transform.basis. Move and slide. Is this... I really don't get the optimization problem, man. I'm getting really bad. I don't see the issue, though. Maybe? All it does is just runs the process frame. Like, there are games out there that can spawn like hundreds of enemies and they're fine. So I don't know what is wrong with my thing. Wander state. State process. Is this very inefficient? How inefficient is this? Let me search this up. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT. How efficient is this code for an NPC? How bad will it be if there are around 30 of these? 30 of these entities. This is using Godot. But there are aspects that become inefficient. Body.transform. Okay. How can I optimize this? Okay, I'm asking ChatGPT if I can optimize this or something. Um, I'm gonna put var direction out here. Var direction. And then I'm just gonna delete that. Will this optimize it? I don't know if this will optimize it. I'm gonna do enter. When it enters, it's just gonna go here. Maybe this will make it more optimized? Maybe. Hopefully. Who knows? I'm gonna see if this works. I don't know if that works or not, but I'm gonna see if that works. I don't know what that massive frame drop was, man. I'm really confused. Okay, I'm running the game. I'm seeing how the performance is. Um, okay. I'm observing. Okay, that doesn't work. Now the fucking deer is not even moving anymore. It's not even moving. That doesn't work. Fuck. What is going on? Hmm. Direction. Hello, Blue Alien. Hey again. I'm gonna say it. Life is shit. My day has been nothing but shit. I feel like God has an agenda against me. Everyone has those days, man. Everyone has those days. But I hope you feel better, bro, man. I hope you feel better. If you die, can you make a community post and rate how dying was from 1 to 10? If I'm dead, I'll make sure to do it from heaven. I'll make sure to do it from heaven. Um, Okay, I don't know how to optimize this code. Also, I hope you have a better day, Blue Alien. Hope you have a better day, though. Um, okay, um, yeah, okay. I'm gonna try this then. I'm gonna try copying and pasting what ChatGPT gave me. What did ChatGPT give me again? Hmm. Okay, does this fix it? Previous... I'm starting to think about what samurais do when their life just comes to a fork or a dead end. I clutched up my assignment and now I have free time. Hello, Minnie. Welcome to the stream, man. How you doing? Hope you're having a good day. Hmm. 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 Seppuku. Please do not commit seppuku or whatever, however it's said. Yeah, just because it's one bad day will not ruin your life. Or at least I think so. But I'm sure your days will be better eventually. You know, Blue Alien. I'm sure I'm sure you'll feel better eventually. I'm sure you'll feel better eventually, man. What are you working on now? Optimization again for the 5 billionth time. I'm trying to work on optimization. It's been a whole damn week. Listen, I don't really know what's going on with your life, but, a week compared to the grand scheme of things is not a lot. I'm sure things will eventually look better, you know? But then again, I don't know what's going on. Like I said, I'm not gonna lie and said I know what's going on, but, you know, I'm sure things will be better. I think. Why optimize? Because my game is dropping to 6 frames per second, and that's a bit unoptimized, if I gotta say. That's a bit unoptimized when it's dropping to 6 frames per second, you know? Yeah, probably. Anyway, just came to say how life is going. Well, I hope you feel better, man. I hope you feel better, though. I don't know why. I think it's the Dorses. I think the Dorses are causing my frame drops, man. I think my Dorses are causing the frame drops. I think the Dorses are causing the frame drops, I think that's the problem. Man. For some reason, I can't even test... Okay, you know what? I'm gonna test my game again. I'm gonna test my game again and see if I can replicate the frame drops here. I don't know, because last stream, there was literally 0 frame drops last stream. Literally 0. There was absolutely no frame drops. It was perfectly clear, no frame drops, everything was going well, and suddenly this stream, everything just dies. I'm gonna test it again. I'm gonna just run around. Maybe... I think the problem, like, the reason why it's so inconsistent is because I think it only happens when, all the Dorses around me start wandering around for no reason. I think that's the issue. Let me just, like, hang around for a bit. See maybe for the Dorses. Yes, I can equip. I've been working on equipping items. That's what I've been working on. Yes, for some reason, I can't seem to replicate the issue. Like, it's not frame dropping anymore, but it literally dropped to 6 frames earlier. I don't know why. Why is it going to the ground? Because it does, okay? Just because it does, okay? It just does. No need to ask so many questions. Like, it just is. That's just how it is, you know? You're telling me your sword doesn't go into the ground? If I swing a sword in real life, it's gonna go into the ground, you know? Like, obviously. It's obviously how physics work. Like, if you go into the wall, obviously you just clip through it, right? Obviously. Obviously. That's just how things work. Obviously, you know? Obviously. Obviously, that's how things work. Also, want to see some magic? I want me to see me do the magic trick again? Wait, wait. Magic. Magic. Woo! Watch as I magically absorb this sword into my butthole. Watch as I magically make this sword clip into the back room. Wait, give me a sec. Oh, frame drop again. Frame drop again. There it is. There it is. That's what I've been waiting for. That's the frame drop. Oh, forgot. For fuck's sake. I forgot to turn on the profiler. Shit. Well, I forgot to turn on the profiler, but I'll wait for that next time, I guess. I think it just happens randomly, I think it happens randomly. That's probably not good advice. It's better to debug. It's harder to, yeah, that's what I thought. At first, I was gonna consider doing it at the end, but I'm gonna have to base. I think the problem here is the Dorses. The AI for the animals, I think, is causing the frame drops, and I don't know why. The AI I have for the animals are super simple. The AI I have is literally just wander around randomly, so I don't know why it's like causing bugs or causing optimization problems. Literally just they wander around randomly. Literally just pick a random direction, walk towards it. Yeah, that's literally all it does. Like there aren't that many animals either. Okay, I need to wait for another frame drop. I need to wait for another frame drop here. I need to wait for another frame drop so I can see what the problem is. Please give me another frame drop. Please. The thing is, it's so inconsistent too. It just happens out of nowhere. The bug, it happens out of nowhere. I don't even know. Listen, I want to know that answer as well, Minnie. I want to know that too. I want to know the exact answer too. I want to know too, Minnie. I want to know too. I want to know that too. Yeah, I'm just gonna wander around. Like it happens so inconsistently, so infrequently. Like I've been wandering around for a bit. Hasn't happened again. Um, Not gonna lie, the gameplay being jumping on swords to make them magically yeah, I don't know how to fix that either. For some reason, I have a bug where my weapons just clip through the floor for some reason. I don't know what the problem with that is. My game is so fucking shit, yet it has so many bugs already. You should probably add back points to see where it's occurring in the code, or just test certain parts. The thing is, the frame drops is so inconsistent, I cannot tell what it is. Even if I turn things off, I can't tell what it is because I would have to wait around for like an hour. Because like right now, there is no frame drops, literally zero. I am running I'm running a profiler right now. I'm running this thing right now to see if there are any frame drops. I'm running this right now. So I'm hoping this might help me detect what is causing the issue. I'm gonna run that and see if it's causing anything. I think it's the horses, though. I think it's the animals. I think it is the animals, though. I think it's the animals. But the thing is, why? The animals literally don't do anything. You just have to click the left side of the line number in the script. So so just do this or something? Line break? This? Wait, I don't know. Okay, I'm just gonna run around for a bit. If the bug happens again, the bug happens again. If it doesn't, well, I don't know. Do you have experience with AI? Not AI, like fucking like NPC movement? Because I think the problem is the process function for the NPCs. Uh, Add more animals and see if the frame drops happen more quickly. Oh. Yeah, I could do that. Wait, let me go into my world function. Let me try that. Let me do creature. Let me turn this up to 20 so that the Dorses spawn more often. This should make them spawn 2 times or maybe even more than 2 times more frequently. Okay, it right now still no frame drop, it seems. Still no frame drop. Okay, I can try turning it on even more. Turn it up even more. Disable all other states except the wander state. That would require me to change my entire code. Don't know if I want to do that, but I guess if that's my last resort, I'll do that, I guess. Okay, let me run this again. Debugger has error. Oh my god. Yeah, so I am noticing a lower frame rate. I am noticing lower frame rate here. How many horses is this? Yeah, How many horses is this? There should be like around 100 or something. There should be around 100 horses. Is 100 a lot of horses? That's not a lot, right? It's giving me frame, so I think it is the horses. I think it is the horses. Wait, wait, what's the, wait, if I look at the sky, if I look at the sky, wait, nah, okay, it's still frame drop, still frame drop. Yeah. If they're running code every frame to calculate where to go, then yeah, it's a lot. How would you suggest? Okay, this is my code for my AI right now. If you want to see, so this is the wander state. This is literally all it is. So I guess it is calculating it every frame. So I guess that is a problem. But how would you suggest that I do this then? How would you suggest, like, what's your suggestion? What would I do? Um. Hmm. This is my idle state. This is my idle state. It just like goes time down and then lerps the. Does lerp? I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know. This is my flee state, or they run away. This rotates the player. Could this be done in a thread? Does moving a animal work in thread? I would have to create a thread every single frame then. That seems even more inefficient. That seems even more inefficient. So, maybe use coroutines to make it so it only runs every 0.5 seconds. Hello, Chronicles. Welcome to the stream. I hope you're having a good day. I don't know what coroutines is. Let me search that up. If you don't know, I'm a new game developer here. I'm still learning, so I don't know what all these terms are. But let me search it up. Coroutines. It's a wait, Godot coroutines. Coroutine await and yield. Are async functions allowed to wait certain amounts of time? Coroutine. How do I use coroutine? Is it like a wait function? It's like Let me see this. Let me search up GD script here. This is a GD script. So does my code look bad? Like I'll show you guys my wander. This is what it is. This is my wander state, and it's causing bugs. It's all good. I'm also pretty new. Yeah, new game developers here. We struggle a lot here. Just a bunch of random issues here. I was like in the middle of working on my inventory system. I was testing my game, and then suddenly it just frame drops out of nowhere, and I don't know why. So that's why I'm trying to figure this out. So this is my wander state, and this is my flee state. Godot, optimize physics process. How do I optimize physics okay, there's this okay, I'm looking at this Godot Reddit post. Physics process with 500 plus enemies. I'm developing collision with yada yada. Maybe it's the collision? Maybe it's the collision of the entities, maybe. Measuring external limitations. Yada yada. I woke up and almost fucking choked. Anyways, where's the milk? There is no milking stream. Also, welcome to the stream, Yasil. Hope you're having a good day. Aside from the almost choking and dying part, aside from that, I hope you're having a good day, man. Aside from the choking and dying part, I hope you're having a good day. Okay, I'm trying to find what coroutine is. Oh wait, I've been pronouncing it as coroutine. Coroutine. I pronounced it wrong. Coroutine. Coroutine. If you call a function containing an await, then it becomes a coroutine that can be used with await in the calling function. What does that mean? How do I use coroutine here? Let me just search this up real quick. Coroutine has the ability to pause execution before the end of a function, returning it to the caller and resume where it left off. Man, there's a lot of new concepts that I don't know, huh? That can be used in the await. Try await after timeout. Yield coroutine. Huh.
Unless otherwise.
Oh god, okay. I'm not watching a 13-minute video from this. I don't think this is even correct for what I'm trying to do. Ah, man, I don't know how to do this. I guess if I just turn down the spawn rate of them, do you think that would work? Do you think it would work if I just turned down their spawn rate to like a very low value? I mean, that would probably lower the chances of it fucking like really being really slow. But god fucking damn it, man. Okay, you know what? You know what? Okay, I'm just gonna make it like really low chance. Wait, okay, so right now this is 10% chance of spawning. If I let me do 1,000 maybe. What's a 10 what's 1% of 1,000? That's 10, right? 10 times 100 is 1,000. So I'm gonna do a 0.5% chance of spawning. Maybe okay, I'm just gonna lower the chances of spawning deers, you know? Have you put the animals to 0 to make sure it's them? Okay, I could put it to 0 as well. Wait, let me try that. I could try that as well. I'm gonna put it to 0. That's 0% chance. The thing is, I don't know for sure if it's them or not, because even if I run it and it doesn't lag, I don't know for sure either, because it's so inconsistent. It might take a while. I guess, you know, I'm gonna run around for a bit. It might not be them, but I'm pretty sure it is them. It's the most likely to be them, you know? Like, what else could cause the, like, random frame drops? Like, I don't have anything else that moves around. Like, I do have a chunking system where my world, like, automatically loads and deloads chunks. But, it's pretty efficient. Pretty efficient. Well, not that efficient, but it works pretty well, you know? It might be a physics collision bug. You can try to use jolt physics to see if it... What's jolt physics? I know that there are physics bugs. Wait, let me show you. Let me show you guys, actually. Also, hello, Gustavo. Gustavo Jirago Cruz. Welcome to the stream, man. Hope you're having a good day. I know that there are physics bugs, because last stream, or I guess in my game, I know that there is physics bugs, like this, for example. I can show you the physics bug. There's this. Yeah, literally, I can make it so items can clip into the fucking back rooms. Can you jump on the cheese? I can. But it doesn't clip through. For some reason, the cheese doesn't get clipped through. But for some reason, my sword clips through for no reason. When it unloads chunks, does it unload any... Animals automatically have a despawning system. Once they get too far from the player, and they fall down once... Okay, there's two despawn conditions. If they fall beneath a certain, like, position, like, if it's under -1, it automatically despawns. If it also gets too far, it also despawns. So, yes, I did consider that. I am very paranoid about optimization. I keep experiencing random optimization, so I really tried my best to optimize everything. But even so, it's, like, still... weird. So there are physics issues. Like, obviously my sword is clipping through the ground for no reason. I don't know why this is an issue. I can try jolt. Yeah, let me try jolt. How do I try jolt? Godot physics is really bad at small collision shapes. Starting from 4.4, they're dropping Godot physics. And how do I try jolt physics? Is there like a settings option? Jolt. Physics. How do I change? Do I have to update? I'm pretty sure I read somewhere that you can, like, just try, like, the new physics engine. It's an option in 4.4. Right now, it's an add-on. Okay, let me try an add-on. Let me try the add-on. Go online. Jolt engine. Is it this, or is it Jolt, game Jolt. I'm assuming it's this one, right? I'm assuming it's this one, right, guys? It's Jolt, Physics Jolt. It's a native extension that allows you to use. I think it's this. Yeah, I think it's that. First one. Okay, yeah. First one. First one it is. Install. I'm just gonna install that. Save and restart. Okay, I'm gonna save and restart then. Gonna close that then, I guess. Let's see here. Okay. Okay. Did anything change? Let's test this out again. Let's test this out again, guys. Let's test this out again. Play. Let me test this out. Wait, do I have to enable the settings? Now you have to. Oh yeah. Okay, I have to enable it. I forgot to enable it. Physics. I need to physics on physics engine Jolt. Wait, do I still have to restart it again? It says change settings will be applied to the editor after I think I have to restart it again, I think I have to restart it again. Oh wait, there's also an option that says run on a separate thread. Should I turn that on? In settings, there's something that says run on separate thread. Should I run all the processes on a separate thread? If false, this 3D physics. I feel like that might optimize if I run it on a separate thread. Because there's this random option I see. It says run on a separate thread. Should I just turn that on? Okay, you know, I'll turn that on later. I'm going to restart my thing again. Because, okay, I'm going to restart my Godot. Let's try restarting. Yeah. Okay, let's turn this back on. This bug has been killing me, man. I swear to God. I've been like working on this inventory system, and suddenly while I'm testing, it just frame drops out of nowhere. So here's to hoping that it works. Okay, now wait, let me double check that I have physics on. Yep, it's on, I think. Yeah, I'm using Jolt Physics now. There we go. I'm definitely using Jolt Physics right here. Okay, let's see if this fixes any errors. Let's go! It's not clipping through the floor! Wait! It's not Let's fucking go. Okay, that is a massive W. Okay, that is a massive fucking W, guys. That is a massive fucking W. Okay. Now, the problem is, will the physics work? Will the physics reduce the... Why is it turning to nighttime? Is there like a daylight system? What the hell? Okay. The problem is, will it fix the... What's it called? The deer problem, or the animal problem, the NPC problem here. Let me do this at 20 here. Let me put this at 20. Wait, I should probably turn it up higher, shouldn't I? I should probably turn it up to like 50, right? Turn this up to 50. It might. Jolt is it? I don't know. So it seems really good. It seems so good so far. Okay, the moment of truth. This is the moment of truth. Will this reduce... Okay, no it didn't. No, it did not. Okay, I mean, at least it fixed the sword. At least it fixed the sword issue. I can at least be happy that it fixed the sword issue. But, I mean... Well, what if I try running it on a separate thread? Because there was an option in the project settings that said run on separate thread. I'm going to turn that on to see if maybe that will optimize it before. Because I know that Bubba Boogs or someone else recommended that I run things on separate threads because it might help with performance. Okay, nope, it did not help at all. Okay, it's still fucking really laggy. How many, like, the thing is, how many horses is this? I don't know how many NPCs this is. Because this seems like a lot. This seems like a lot of NPCs. Let me turn it down to maybe like 20? Let me turn it down to like 20 here. Let me turn it down to 20. Maybe that'll fix it. Because, obviously, even if it is optimized, it can't run too many. You can lower the solver iteration to reduce the amount of time. Oh, solver iteration. What is that? Okay, it seems fine with 20%. Let me turn, what's solver iteration? Solver iteration. So, should I turn it down or up? Lower. Okay, let me try lower. What is... Okay, I'm gonna search up solver iteration. I want to know what it does first. Godot solver iteration. I want to know what it does. Controls how often these methods are run. Why is my solver iteration is at 16? Is this normal? I searched it up and it says it should be 60, but mine is 16. Is that weird? I think is that weird? Mine's at 16 for some reason. My solver iteration is at 16. Let me put it to 60. What is happening? It's default 16. Okay, I thought that was weird for a sec because I searched it on Google and it said 60 was the average. This value should generally be 60 or above. Wait, I think I might be reading something out of context, maybe. I think I might be reading something out of context. Okay, let me try putting this at like 2. Let me put this at 2 to see what happens. I just want to see what the difference is. I want to see what the difference is here. Let me put this to 2. Will this make everything look super choppy? I mean, they seem pretty fine. Did that even change? Is there any change here? That doesn't even look like there's any change. Is there anything changed? That looks the exact same. Huh. It looks the exact same. Okay, let me try turning it up a bit. Let me try turning everything up. Let me turn the spawn rate of these things back up here. Turn the spawn rate back up. Nope, it's still laggy at 50. I mean, I guess I could just make the spawn rate of these things super low. I still don't know what solver iteration does, because even though I turned it down to 2, it changed nothing. Nothing changed. Did that actually make any change? Did I... Actually, I don't know. I'm gonna play around with the settings a bit. I'm gonna play around with this to see how things are. Even though I turned it down to 1, it seems the same to me. Like, the creatures are still moving really similarly. What does solver iteration even do? What does solver iteration do? What is solver iteration? I need my game. Godot solver iteration. What does that do? Solver iteration. It changes how many times it calculates collisions. I changed it to 1. And it seems the exact same. That seems... Okay, you know, I'm gonna leave it at 1 maybe. It doesn't seem to change anything. I'm not sure. Did I have to restart my system again? Okay, it still lags when I put it at 50, so that's, whatever. Whatever. It's fine, I guess. It's fine. You know what? I'll just make these things spawn really rare. I'll just make them like 1% chance of spawning. I'll just make it have a really rare chance of spawning. And it should just reduce the lag that way. Because in real life, you don't really see animals that frequently, right? Animals are pretty rare in real life, right, guys? Like, you go out, you're not gonna fucking see a deer out of nowhere. You're not gonna see a fucking deer. So I'm gonna make it a little bit rare. I'm gonna make seeing them a little bit rare, you know? I'm gonna make seeing them pretty rare. I'm gonna give them like a 1% chance of spawning. 1% chance of spawning. That should make it so it won't lag as much. I'm really optimizing the game in the most scuffed way possible. Instead of actually optimizing the creatures, what about a swarm of bees? Do you do you get attacked by bees a lot? Do you go outside and see bees I mean, like, you see bees once in a while, but like I don't see swarms of bees every single day, you know? Like maybe once a year, or like maybe if you're unlucky 10 times a year. But like that's pretty rare, you know? That doesn't happen too frequently, you know? I don't know. Our flock of birds, that's more common, but like those aren't animals, okay? We all know birds are just government drones, okay? We all know birds are government drones. Those aren't real animals, okay? We all know they aren't real, okay? Like, come on. Like, we all know that the government is spying on us with the birds or whatever. We all know. Those things aren't animals. Yeah. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna say that my issue is fixed for now. I'm just gonna assume that lowering the chances of spawning these things will solve my issue for now. Like for right now, I'm still a very inexperienced game dev, so I don't know how to fix this. So hopefully someday in the future where I become smarter and I know more about game dev, I can maybe fix this or like create a better like AI method. What the fuck? Why did it crash? Why did it... Huh? I don't know what just happened, but alright. Ripped Nautica Malone. I don't know what that is, but hello, Starkiller. Welcome to the stream, man. How you doing? Hope you're having a good day, man. I'm doing game dev today. I don't know why my game crashes now. Why the fuck did it crash? I swear to God, my game is cursed. I actually believe that my game is cursed somehow. I think it's cursed. Like, someone out there put this game on their voodoo doll or whatever, and just, like, cursed it to be like, you will encounter a bug every time you add a new feature, or add anything, or do anything. And even when you think it works, it will suddenly bug out for no reason. Yeah, good luck. Game looks nice. I don't know, man. This game looks like shovelware. I don't know what kind of games you play, but if you think this game looks nice, then yeah, you should probably play better games, man. Nautica Malone is the goon lord who committed goonicide. Goonadice. That's a lot of gooning. That's a lot of gooning, man. That's a lot of gooning, I will say. That's a lot of gooning. Yeah, I still believe my game is cursed though. Like, unironically, I think this game is cursed. Like, it's fucking cursed. Someone cursed this thing. It's goddamn cursed. I mean, okay. With that out of the way, I think I'm gonna continue the actual game dev part and work on my equipment system. Okay, let's try making a spear now. Let's make a spear. I'm gonna make a spear item. I'm gonna create a new item. This is the spear item. New inherited scene. Ugh. Weapon script. Like rocks and weird tree. You should add more world aspects than span. I will probably add more. I'm still very early on. I haven't even finished my like weapon system yet. So I probably will add more. There's gonna be dungeons and stuff. There's gonna be dungeons. There are dungeons already. I can show you. There's a dungeon. I have dungeons in the game, but they're empty. They're completely empty. They're about as empty as my skull half the time. See these things? These are dungeons. You can actually go inside of them. Look at this. Wow. It's an empty dungeon. Why is it just an empty room? Okay, there it is. There's the exit. Yeah, you can like go into dungeons and fight creepers and stuff. I mean, I saw you a month ago, and you're. Oh, I forgot. Yeah, I probably already showed you this inside then. Add cheese weapon. Listen, there's already a cheese. There's already a normal cheese. We don't need cheese weapon. But, honestly, I don't even know if I'm gonna finish this game. Genuinely, I think I made the scope of this game a bit too big. Like, I thought, I knew that it would be difficult. I knew that it would be difficult, but the thing is, I have created a couple other games before. I have created a 3D game before, a very small one, and I have created another roguelike game before. So I thought that maybe I could combine the two aspects, and, like, be able to do it if I keep the, like, scale small enough, but... Seems that it was still pretty difficult. To make a 3D D&D with real-time action like a roguelike. This is originally going to be a roguelike. So if you die, the entire world just dies. So everything is randomly generated. Everything is randomly generated, so this could be a roguelike. This was intentionally. This was my original intention to make it a roguelike. But I don't know much about D&D though. I will add like fighting and like bosses and enemies and stuff. I will add that. But for now, I need to just create an item for my spear. This is spear.scene. This is my spear scene. Didn't you play a D&D game on stream? I played an arcade D&D stream. I've never played a real like Actually, that's a lie. I have played D&D once. I don't know much about actual D&D, but I have played it once, where I was like basically just like playing a one-shot with people. I don't know that much about D&D though. Like, what do you mean by a 3D D&D? Like, what do you mean by that? Like, actually have D&D stats and D&D dice rolls? Because I don't know the rules for D&D. I do not know the rules and stuff. But if you mean like a D&D theme game, like a fantasy D&D style game, I can do that. I can add dragons. I can add bards where you can like have bards rizzing up dragons and make them have sex with dragon babies or whatever. I don't know. Yeah, I can do a D&D themed game. But like no D&D rules. I don't know anything about D&D. Yeah, I have dungeons. I don't have dragons yet. I will add dragons because dragons are cool, you know. Dragons are cool, and I like fucking them too. Let me add my sword. Okay, this is the spear. This is the sword. This is the. Why is the spear so big? Fucking hell. I don't know why I made the models of my game just fucking humongous for some reason. They're actually humongous, like Among Us. Humongous Among Us. Among Us, a Sussus Among Us. Sussus Among Us. Sussus Among Us. A Sussus Among Us. A Sussus Among Us. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna turn this down. 0.5. 0.05. We need realistic texture. I'm not adding realistic textures. My game is already not very optimized, so adding realistic texture. Plus, I don't know how to get realistic textures. Like, I guess I could search it online, but I'm not gonna add realistic text. What the hell? Where am I? Where the fuck am I right now? Okay, there we go. Take a picture. Listen, I don't have random pictures of spears, okay? I don't have like random spears laying around where I can take pictures of them, man. And also, I don't know where a dragon would be that I would be able to find a fucking dragon to take a picture of a dragon, man. Let me sword area 3D and collision shape. Let me just copy and paste this in. Okay, I think I might have made my spear a little bit too small. How big is this spear? I gotta see how big this spear actually is. How big is this spear? No, just go take a picture of your floor and call it wood text. I don't know if I like realistic texture. I mean, I haven't really made anything with realistic texture before, so I don't know how it would turn out. But I guess I could, technically. I could. You know, I could. But, sword item. Oh, wait, fuck. Let me put this over here. Spear. Wait, fuck. I might have messed this up. Spear. Let me rename this. Spear item. Rename spear item. Spear item. I can put this in the item scene. Where's my items? Where did I put my items in here? Items. Items go in here. I need to put this in here. Give me a sec. Yeah, this is quite scuffed, I'll be honest. This is really scuffed, but whatever. Whatever. I'm just gonna try to get this to work. I'm just gonna delete this because I messed that up. I'm gonna copy and paste this, put it into here, put this up here. Area. What? Okay, it is very, very small. My spear is huge. It's fucking Among Us. large. It is so fucking large. Yeah, okay, 0.05? Yeah, I think 0.05 might be a good fit here. Why is it so dark? I don't know. It's not supposed to be this dark. I think it's because there's no lighting, maybe. I'll see how dark it is in-game. I'll see how dark it is in-game. It's not supposed to be this dark. It looked a lot better when I was modeling it, okay? It looked a lot better when I was Believe it or not, I modeled this myself. I don't know if you were there, actually. But, okay, it's brighter on this side. It's brighter on this side for some reason. You can see, like, a bit of the shine. There's a little bit of shine here. See that? It's not so dark there. Let me adjust the collision shape here. Adjusting the collision shape. There we go. Why am I getting errors, by the way? I don't know why I'm getting errors. Like, sometimes I just randomly get errors out of nowhere. That fucking bothers me for some reason. Let me just do this. Do this. Okay, that seems to work. And then I just need to spawn this into the world. I need to spawn this in the world for now. World gen. Commission a professional modeler. I'm sure this game's I genuinely don't know if I'm even going to release this game, man. This game is so ass. I don't know if I'm even going to release this game. This game might never even be released. I'm gonna be real. I don't know if this game will ever come out. I genuinely don't know if this game will ever come out, man. Like, honestly, I'm just making this game for fun. Like, I'm honestly just making this game for fun. I'm not making this game to make money, you know? I'm not making this game to make money, so... Like, I would love to make money, but my games are too shit for me to make money off of them, so... Like, yeah, like, if I was a good game developer, and I could make my dream game, I would definitely release it for money. Infinite content farm. Make videos about games you make. Yeah, that's literally, like, the point of, like, devlogs, right? That's literally just devlogs and stuff. But this is, for me, it's literally just me showing people how much of a bumbling buffoon of a game developer I am. Let me pick this up. Where's my spears at? Okay, there we go. There are the spears. What the fuck is that twirl? Okay, I need to work on the spear still. I need to work on the spear. Spear item. Okay, I need to still add it. How do I... This is spear. Item type weapon. This is spear. Right. Spear. Weapon... Spear goes into here. Equipable, yes. Description, a simple spear. There we go. I added a simple spear. Don't you make $1,000? I wish, man. I fucking wish. I don't think I've ever made $1,000 in the entire history of my YouTube channel. I think I've only ever made around $700 to $800 ever. I think I might have, okay, I don't know, but I think I've only been paid like 6 or 7 times by YouTube. And I only get paid by like $100 by YouTube. So I don't make that much money. I don't make that much money, you know. I wish I did. I wish I was a more billionaire, you know. I wish I was a more billionaire. But unfortunately, I'm not, sadly. I'm sadly not. I'm not a more billionaire. Do you have to work retail? YouTube isn't enough for me to sustain myself. That's what I'll say. You guys, like, honestly, it makes sense. My YouTube channel gets, like, no views, honestly. My videos get, like, 0 views. Well, that's a lie. I get, like, 50 views on average. Let me check my channel. I get, like, quite low views on average. So, yeah, okay, my like, I see, like, 3 videos right now. Like, that's under 50 views, so... Very low views, you know, very low views, so it's not a surprise that, okay, let me equip this. Oh, okay, I got my spear working, Fucking go, let's fucking go, people. Fucking go. Okay, I can also equip my sword. Let's fucking go, man, let's fucking go. Let's fucking go, you little bitch. Let's fucking go. I got spears working. Got my spears working now. Now I can just work on adding new things, I think. I can work on adding new things. That feels nice. That feels really nice, man. That feels really, really nice. Feels really nice that I got this working, man. This feels good. Okay, where are the enemies at? Where are the dorses? I want to kill some animals. I want to kill some animals. My bloodlust needs to be satiated. My bloodlust needs to be satiated, people. My bloodlust needs to be satiated. Ugh. There we go. I killed it. Such a scuffed little thing. Like, I'm just killing these guys. Look at these bozos. And then I can, like, equip my sword. I need to work on unequipping, though. I still need to create more menus for my, like, different screens. Like, I need to put a menu to view my stats. I need to put a menu to view my equipment. I still need to do a lot of stuff. You have so many subs, though. Let me tell you a story. Back then, I made an illegal video called How to Get Breath of the Wild for free on PC. That video was very popular. It got 100,000 views. And I got a lot of subscribers from that. I made like $500, like $400, $500 from that video alone. And let's say after a while, right, like literally a month before Tears of the Kingdom came out, that video got taken down by Nintendo. They told me that this video it does not abide by YouTube policy, so it got removed. So all my subs came from a deleted video where I illegally tell people how to get games for free on PC. Well, Breath of the Wild on PC for free, you know? And that is the story of how I gained most of my subs. Literally over 2,000 of my subs came here for piracy. At least you did, bro. I made only like $500, so I didn't make that much. But you know, I'm still very grateful that they didn't remove my channel. I am extremely grateful that they did not remove my. What the fuck? Why did my game crash? Why did my game crash? Why? Why did my game crash? What? Huh? Whatever. Why did my game crash? Hello? Why did my game crash? I don't know why my game crashed. What do you use for editing? Editing videos? I use Premiere Pro. I use Premiere Pro. I use Premiere Pro. Yeah, that's what I use. I don't fucking know why my game crashed, man. What the fuck? Should I just give up on making this game, man? I'm actually just considering giving up because, I mean, I am adding new features. I am managing to add new features, but I feel like I won't be able... I feel like at some point, the bugs will pile up so much that I won't be able to continue. I feel like the bugs will eventually reach a point where I just, like, can't continue anymore. Did you acquire that in the same way as Zelda? Let's just say, the Seven Seas is a vast place, and I like to find the One Piece, you know? I like doing a little yar har har, yo ho ho, plundering the treasures at sea, you know? If you catch my drift. Yeah, if you catch my drift, bro, if you catch my drift. Yeah, I am considering just giving up with this game because why not use DaVinci Resolve? I don't know. I'm just used to Premiere Pro at this point. Premiere Pro is like my comfort editing software. It's like my comfort software now. I'm just like really used to it. I'm just used to it now. I'm just used to it. So yeah. Yeah. I've also tried using a few other free softwares in the past, but they just like didn't mesh. Why did my game crashing? Okay, that is not normal. That is not normal. The game crashed. What is causing this crash? What? My aneurysm. Make a tic-tac-toe. You know, I am just considering just giving up with this game. Should I just give up? Honestly, should I just give up? So I feel like I won't be able to finish this game. Like, I feel like I won't be able to finish this game, you know. Like, I tried. I really did try, man. I really tried with this game, man. I really tried. And I feel like it could be good. Like, I haven't even added that many features. I have not added that many features at all. There's barely any features at all. Like, I literally only have animals. That's all I have. Animals, weapons. They don't even do much. The game will become even more complicated once I start adding other things too. So I feel like this is never gonna work out if I continue. Like the game's already crashing. It's legitimately already crashing for no reason. Like it already crashed for some reason. I don't know why it even crashed. Why did it crash? I don't even know at this point, man. I don't even know. Um. Yeah, I am considering giving up. I don't know. Maybe I'll come back to this someday. I don't know. Um, I mean, I guess I could, like, I don't know why it crashed either. It didn't tell me why. Like, usually when the game crashes, it tells me why. But this didn't even bother telling me why. Make a 1v1 shooter game where you rebuild your house and have your whole setup. But then you need all the people coming in your house, but they have to go somewhere. I don't even know if I understand what that sentence even says. I guess I could, like, I don't know, man. I don't know. I should I just push through and finish the game even if it fucking breaks? Try to add a day-night. I was gonna add a day-night cycle to this game. Recreate all the yes, let me recreate an entire computer in this game. Let me create a functional computer in this game. Yeah, definitely. If I can't create this world, I'll definitely be able to create a computer, man. I don't know what. It crashed again. It crashed. Why? Why? Why did it crash? Make a game from scratch and start by mining silicon? Dog, I don't know why it crashed. Why is my game... It doesn't... There's no error report either. Where is the... There's no error report. I swear to God, there's 0 error report. So I don't know what's causing the crash. Like, it's randomly crashing while testing. I don't know if the problem is me or what. Because it's just randomly crashing out of nowhere. I swear to God, someone's trolling me right now. Like, God is up there in heaven just being like, heh, I'm gonna curse this fucking game developer in his stupid-ass game. Man. Like, someone's calling me. Give me a sec. Someone's calling me. Okay, I'm back. Hello. So anyways, yeah, as I was saying, I don't know what to fucking do. I don't know what to fucking do. Like, if I knew what the issue was, I could try to fix it. But I don't. I'm gonna run around for a bit and see if it crashes the game again. If it doesn't, good. If it does, I don't know what I'm gonna do, honestly. Because, yeah, I mean, at least I fixed the, like, glitching. Oh. The issue is back. The physics, I thought I fixed this. Is the Jolt engine thing not working again? Like, it's not, okay, it's not clipping through the ground. So at least that's good, I guess. It's not clipping through the ground. Yeah. Equipped? Maybe it's like something wrong with my like weapon system, maybe? Equipped? I can't equip the cheese. I can't equip cheese, unfortunately. Cheese equipping is not a thing in this game. Can use my spear. My spear doesn't actually do anything, by the way. If I can use my sword, it goes away, but it doesn't do anything. So I need to fix that as well. I guess I can like pretend that my game doesn't crash. I'm just gonna pretend that my game doesn't crashes for now, just for like simplicity's sake. I'm just gonna pretend it doesn't crash. I'm just going to pretend that it doesn't crash. Okay, I'm just gonna pretend it doesn't crash. How do I want to do the next step of this? I want to okay. I need to create a couple different systems. I need to create an equipment screen, a stat screen, a couple of screens, you know. How should I do this though? I need to create like a tab system, or like what's it called? I forgot. Control. What is it? Control node. There's something. There's like a tab system, a tab control node or something. I forgot what it was called, but it allows us to switch between. Yeah, that's what. Yeah, Godot has a built-in tab container or something. I forgot what it is. Where is it though? I forgot where it is. I forgot what it's called. Is it just called tab? Is it just called tab? Tab. Oh, it is just called tab. It's just called tab. Okay, it is literally just called tab. Okay, I need to create a tab for different screens here, for like the inventory screen and like the other screens, I guess. Okay, how do I create? Okay, it's right here. How do I make it bigger? Why is it so small? Okay, how do I left center? Okay, I need to make this bigger. Bottom, no, not bottom. I need to do, shit. What am I doing again? I forgot. Tab focus? Click. I need to make this. How do I make the tab bigger? How do I make it bigger? I need to make the tab bigger. Maybe if I do font. Maybe if I do font size, and I increase the font size to like 50. I can increase this to like 50 here. There we go. That's 50. I can do inventory. And then I can do a stat screen, I guess. Let me do this as stat screen. Okay, this is menu, I guess. Menu. This is menu. I can do like stats. A node 3D. Node controller, I guess. Stats. Equipment. Oh wait, no, I need to do another control node. Just copy and paste these control nodes, I guess. Equipment. I definitely need to rearrange this so it actually makes more sense. But so stats would probably be first. Equipment. Yeah, okay, so this can let us just swap between these. That's good. This will be pretty handy. Okay. I guess I can do I want to add, there's so many things I want to add to this game. Like, I thought that I would be able to do it, but the thing is, this game already has a lot of bugs and issues. If I keep adding more things, the issues are going to keep piling up, you know? The issues and stuff are going to pile up. Spells. Skills. I would name this skills, I guess. Skills and spells. Skills/spells. Who wants more math? Not me, please. I do not want, I don't want more math problems. I'm already struggling with this, man. Abilities. Skills, I guess? I can call the skills. Skills. Inventory. Equipment, inventory, okay. Okay, so for my equipment, okay, I want to have accessories as well. I want the player to have like 10 different rings that they can wear. So the humans have 10 fingers. Wait, actually, we We can wear rings on 4 of our fingers. Wait, let me actually search this up. How many rings can a person wear? How many rings can a person wear? Because I want to add magic rings to a game. I want to add magic rings. Magic rings to the game. Magic rings that give you like special buffs and stuff. So I want to have like 8 different ring slots that people can wear, or like 10 or 8. It's either 10 or 8. I'm gonna do var rings here, rings, and maybe a necklace slot as well. Maybe a necklace slot. Rings. 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 Let me just I'm blanking out, man. Rings array. How do I create an array again? It just rings this, right? Equals. Okay, I'm gonna search up how to make an array. I forgot. Godot array. Literally forgetting the basics, man. I will guess I'll try again tomorrow. I don't know if I'm gonna be streaming tomorrow, but alright, man. Alright, I don't know if I'll be streaming tomorrow. Godot, how to initiate an array? How do I make an array? ChatGPT. How do I make an array? Okay, that just create. Okay, there we go. That's exactly what I need to know. Just do that. That creates an empty array. It can have a max of 10 rings, I think. Like, as you guys can tell, I had a lot of ambitions for this game. It was gonna be simple, like a simple game that has a lot of features. I wanted to 10 seems like a lot. I know, but like 10 is a lot of rings, but like humans have 10 fingers, right? When I play games, I'm always annoyed by the fact that you can only wear 1 ring. It's like I have 5 different buff rings, right? Like you find multiple rings, and then you're like, I can't wear these for some reason. I can only wear 1. But, like, I have 10 fingers, you know? So, maybe I actually might add 11 fingers, you know, for the other finger that's, down there, you know? But listen, I thought about this a bit. I thought, like, I want the rings to be able to, like, synergize with each other, you know? Like, I want to have a lot of rings. So, like, yeah. And also a necklace as well. A necklace as well, accessory. I had a lot planned for this game that I don't know if I'll be able to add everything that I planned. Like, I had so much things planned. I wanted to add like boss fights, dungeons, loots, traps, a lot of like bandits, like random castles, you know. But like seeing how my progress is going, I might never get to those features. Like, my game was crashing earlier, and I don't know why. It didn't even tell me a crash error message. So, I don't know if I'll be able to reach my dream vision of this game. So, yeah. We'll see, though. We'll see. I might give up someday. I might give up with this, but who knows, you know? Like, my skills right now, I thought my skills might be enough, but it seems to not be enough, you know? Okay, so stats. Let me create this its own screen here. Let's make this, actually, this might break the thing, yeah? This might break the game, because I have to change the references now. I need to change the references. Oh, God. How do I do this? I think I have to change this. Where... Player... Wait, what? I exported on okay. Oh, that's on ready, not export. I forgot. I'm stupid. I'm stupid. There we go. I need to change all my references because I changed the location of things. I changed the location of things, so now I have to change a lot of things here. And let me see if this still works, though. Let me see if this still works. What are the main causes and consequences of the Fourth Crusade, 1202 to 1204, and how did it differ from the earlier crusades? I don't know. I'm not a history nerd. I'm not a history guy, bro. I'm not a history guy. How am I supposed to know, man? Okay. And I'm going to attach a script here called menu. I'm gonna copy and paste this into the menu instead. Menu here. God, listen, I don't know why you're asking me these questions, man. I know nothing about history. I am awful at history, man. I am awful at history. I do not know why you're making me, you're, asking me these history questions. Like, I don't know. I'm not good with history. Let me do inventory here, skills here. Let me do inventory.setDescription. Inventory.setDescription. Inventory.itemList. There we go. This should make it work now. This should work. This should work. Let me show off the game again. Man, I hope I'll be able to finish this game someday, but honestly, at this rate, I don't know if I will. Okay, I got the inventory system working. This tab system looks kind of ugly, though. I'll be honest. This tab system looks a little ugly. I don't know how to change it either, so... yeah, so fuck me, I guess. Fuck me. Like, at a first glance, the game doesn't look like it has any issues. Like, it doesn't look like the game has any issues. Like, the game doesn't crash or anything. Or, like, it doesn't look like it crashes. But then if you play for a bit, it just randomly crashes out of nowhere. So that's the problem, you know, that's the problem. Let's just, go around. I have to implement a stat system, an equipment system, some skills, I guess. What else do I want to add? I guess I want to add like a settings option as well. I want to add settings too, I guess. I'm assuming the rings will override a basic effect function, right? What do you mean by that? What do you mean override a basic effect function? Like, I want some rings to, like, give players, like, brand new abilities. I want some rings to, like, boost speed. I want some rings to allow you to see in the dark, maybe. Like, I want rings, like, also some, I want to have, okay, my game crashed again. Why does my game crash? Why? Like, Godot game crashing for no reason. Crashing. No error message. There's no error message or anything. It just randomly crashes. It just crashed without any message or anything. What? Why did that crash? There'd be a base class ring with passive and attack. Yeah, that will probably be it. There will probably be a base. That's gonna be far in the future, honest. That's gonna be far in the future. I still have not a lot of things. There's still a lot of mechanics I still haven't added yet. That's gonna be for rings and necklaces and stuff. Those are gonna be the far in the future, honestly. Those are gonna be far in the future. Right now, my game is crashing, and I still don't know why. So, what are the messages in the debugger? It just says this, but I don't think this is related to the crash, actually. Also, hello, G Montag. Welcome to the stream. There is no error message when my game crashed. There is no error message. I don't know. Like, it just crashed for no reason. Like, all this shows up at the very beginning. This is true. Also, you can launch Godot with console, I think. And can I? I don't know how... Wait, let me check. How do I run things? Wherever it puts your cursor when you crash is where the error is. Wherever it puts your cursor when you crash is where the error is. What is it? There wasn't any crash error messages or something. Let me just run around randomly. Let me just run around randomly and test things out here. Are you on Yes, I am on Windows. I am on Windows. I didn't get any, like, crash messages or anything, so I don't know. Windows. In the script tab, it'll move. Yeah, that's what it normally does. But the thing is, I didn't get any messages, and it didn't do that for me. And it crashes out of nowhere, too, so I don't know what the issue was. Let me just run around. I don't know if this is maybe related to the Jolt thing, because it started happening when I installed... It started happening after I installed Jolt. So I don't know if maybe it was the Jolt add-on that causes the crash or something. Okay, so there are 2 downloads, one exact with a console and one without. Let me just test this out for a bit. Get the one with the I'll try that after. Let me see if it does give up an error message. Let me just run around for a bit. Like, the thing is, it's super inconsistent. I don't know what causes it. It just randomly, it randomly happens. Like, it randomly crashed out of nowhere. Okay, it crashed. Where's the problem? It didn't show me. So you can see error. But you also added more after Jolt. It could be something after Jolt. I don't know. Let me try turning Jolt off real quick. Let me try changing Jolt off. Physics. Oh, wait. I have run on separate thread as well. Maybe it was run on separate thread. I'm going to start making minor changes and see if it fixes anything. I turned off run on separate thread. Maybe it was the run on separate thread that caused it. I don't know. We'll see. I'm just gonna... Also, yeah, I might, let me, it says that run on separate is it? Run on separate thread. Is it ignored with Jolt? Does it say that? I don't know. Let me run console real quick. Let me do what Gmontag suggested. Real quick. I'm gonna do what Gmontag suggested, and I'm gonna run it with I'm gonna run it with console. I think I'm gonna run it with console. Cancel. I'm gonna close my game real quick. I'm gonna close Godot real quick, and then I'm gonna run everything with the console version. I'm gonna run everything with the console version because it should tell me what went wrong then. Okay. Let's see here. I'm gonna run this game, and then I'm gonna see if the crash occurs again. Oh, whoops, that's the console log. Failed to rename the PNB. What? I don't know what all this even means, but alright. Okay. Let's run this again. Let's see if it crashes again. It probably will, because this game is cursed for some reason. I believe that this game is cursed. I am genuinely in belief that this game is cursed. I guess this is my fault for creating, like, was I too ambitious? I think I was too ambitious with this game, I think I was a little bit too ambitious. Like, I had a general idea of how I wanted to add everything, but the game is still, like, a bit too ambitious, I guess. I guess I was too ambitious with my game. Like, I thought that I had enough experience. I thought that I would be able to learn everything on the way, but it seems like the issues just, like, keep piling up. But we'll see though. Let me just, like, run around. No crashes so far. That's good, I guess. But I guess that's also not good because I cannot tell if the issue is still there. I actually like I like how I can change weapons. This is really fun. Like, when things work, it feels really good when I manage to get things to work. When I manage to get things to work, it's really cool. Like, I'm like, yes, it works. Fuck yeah. Oh, it crashed. No error message, by the way. No error message. I got no error message. Literally no error message. Wait, actually, never mind. Is this an error message? No debug information. Is that an error? I don't think that's an error, right? Does anyone know what this means? Huh. Hmm. I don't know what this means. I don't think it's telling me the actual error, I don't think. Oh, wait, no. Wait, is this it? Is this it? Failed to apply underlying jolt. Is this the error? Is this... Wait, Okay, I don't know when these messages were sent, though. Wait, let me try running the... Oh, fuck. That closed the entire thing. Whoops. I think it might be Jolt. I think it might be the Jolt thing that's causing it. Whatever it says after that, it seems cut off. Let me try running the game again. Let me try running the game again and see where the message was. I don't know. I'm gonna be real, I don't know, but we'll see here. Let me just keep running around. Oh wait, you guys can't see that. Give me a second here. Let me show the game here. Okay. I think it might be the static thing. I think it might be Jolt. I think the problem might be Jolt because it began after I started Jolt. After I installed the Jolt add-on or whatever, the Jolt extension. So I think it might be Jolt. I think it might be the Jolts thing. So let me just run around. I think the air was Jolt, but I'm not for sure. We'll see though. We'll see. Game development sure has a lot of bugs though, huh? Sure has a lot of bugs. I wish game development went more smoothly sometimes. Okay, we'll see if there's a crash though. We'll see if there's a crash. We'll just equip this random sword. We'll equip this random sword. Picking up cheese, by the way. Picking up a bunch of cheese. We can use this cheese to get stamina. The stamina. 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 Oh, we crashed again. Crashed again. Air failed to create underlying jolt body for static body 3D. I think the problem might be Jolt. Let me try changing the settings for physics. Excuse me. Fuck. Okay, let me try using default. I'm gonna restart the game again. Restart Godot again, I mean. I think the problem was Jolt. I think it is. I think it's Jolt. For some unknown reason, Jolt is crashing my game, I think. I think it is Jolt. So let me run the game again on default engine. Default physics engine. Let me, where's physics again? I forgot. Where is physics? Physics. Where are you, physics? There, okay. It's on default. It is on default. So I think it shouldn't be using it shouldn't be using Jolt anymore. Jolt seemed to fix my other physics bug, but it caused my crashing. So that's well, I don't know for sure yet. This is why I'm testing it out right now. This is why I'm testing it right now. Let me run around. I guess I'm gonna run around for like a minute or two. If it doesn't crash within a minute or two, I guess I'll know then. Okay, let me just run around. Hello there. Hello. This guy just stole my spear. This guy fucking tried to steal the spear I was gonna pick up. Okay. Even though there are a lot of bugs, I am still proud of my progress. Like, look at that chunk loading system. I remember when I first developed the chunk loading system, I remember feeling really proud of myself. I was so proud of myself. I was like, oh my god, I managed to create a loading system for my world. I was super proud, like so fucking proud. Those were the good old days of this game. Literally that was only a couple weeks ago. Literally only a couple weeks ago when I added that feature. The game's not crashing right now, so that's... I think it was Jolt. I think, because it's not crashing right now. It's not crashing. It's not crashing, I'll say. It's not crashing. So, yeah. It's not crashing. It's not crashing. I think I found the bug. It was Jolt. That is, if the game crashes right now. If the game crashes right now, I'll know it wasn't Jolt's fault. But if the game doesn't crash, then I think it is Jolt's fault. I think the fault lied at Jolt. Fault lied at Jolt. That rhymes, you know, fault and Jolt. Okay. Yeah, okay. I think I figured out what the issue was. Yeah, it was Jolt. It was Jolt. The game doesn't crash anymore, so yeah, it was Jolt's fault. So yeah. It was Jolt's fault. Remove child. What does wait, what? What does the remove child function do? Wait. Remove child. Godot. Remove child. What does remove child even do? Why do I have that? Why do I have this? Let me just why do I have this? I just noticed. Let me see if this works actually. Why do I have that? Why do I have that? Let me try this again. Yeah, I think the problem was definitely Jolt, by the way. I think it was definitely Jolt. It was definitely, most definitely Jolt. Most definitely the fault of Jolt. So, yeah. Well, I guess I can now just work on implementing other features, I guess. Now that I've solved my crashing issue, I have reduced the number of issues I have by 1. The number of issues I have got reduced by 1. So at least that's better than nothing, I guess. That is better than nothing. I guess we'll work on stats, I guess? We'll work on stats now. We'll work on our stat system. Let me make this its own scene. How do I make this its own scene? Save branch, make scene root. Oh, that is not what I intended to do. Let's save this branch as a scene. Let's do stats. 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 Where's my stats? I want to put this in scene. Where is stats? Where is the stats? Stats, where are you? I need to put this in the scenes. Right now, this is really unorganized, man. This is really unorganized. Fuck. Why? Okay, okay, I have a scene folder, and some of the scenes aren't in the scene folder. I mean, some of the scenes aren't in the scene folder, and some of the scripts aren't in the script folder. This is a fucking atrocious mess. This is actually an atrocious mess. I should also probably work on adding more items and stuff, but whatever, I don't care that much. I'll work on that once all my systems are actually up and working, you know? Let me just sort out my thing here. I guess I should work on a shield. I should work on a shield for my left hand. I haven't worked on anything with my left hand. I am still alive, by the way. Hello, still alive, by the way. I'm Slime. Nice to meet you. How you doing, man? Hope you're having a good day, bro. Hope you're having a good day. I'm still working on this game, which is very scuffed, by the way. I was on the verge of quitting earlier. I was literally on the verge of quitting because my game kept crashing earlier. I had no idea why, so I was literally on the verge of giving up. On the verge of giving up. I really wanted to give up, but for some unknown reason, I didn't. I was so fucking close to giving up, man. Hope you're having a good day, though, by the way. Hope you're having a good day, man. Let me put this next to the inventory. Let me pull this in. What the fuck? Let me do this. What the hell? Inventory. What is inventory here? What is wrong with inventory? What is wrong with this thing? 1920 by 1080. There we go. There we go. Okay. This is gonna be the stat system, I guess. This is gonna be the stat system. Stats.script. Where's my stats? I'm gonna put this in the script folder. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I guess I should move all of the player stats into here, I guess. Should I just move all the player stats into there? Huh. I guess I'm gonna keep in the player script. I'm gonna keep in the player script for now. Should I keep in the player script? My player script is getting really bloated. It is getting really fucking bloated. So I don't know if I should keep it there. You know what? I don't care. I don't care. Okay, so I'm gonna just display all of the player like stats and stuff. So I'm gonna create a bunch of labels. Labels. Label. Label. Label here. I'm gonna put this. Oh, whoops. Stats. Stats here. Why is the font so fucking small? Why is it so abysmally small? I need to increase the font size to like 20. No, that's not 20. Like 50? Yeah, 50. I'd say 50 or 60 actually. 60. 50. I'll do 50. I'll do 50. Let me do outline as well, because I think having a little outline would be nice. I think having a little like font outline would be nice. Outline size. Let me just do like a 10. Yeah, font size. There we go. Let me do size. Func stats. Show stats or update stats. Update stat text. Pass. Player. I need to get a reference to the player as well. This is my stats, and then from here I can call the player node. There we go. Player dot. So I'm gonna go into my stats label. Stats label. I'm gonna change this. Let me rename this to stats. Stat text. That's gonna be what it's called. Stat text. Stat text. Stat text dot text equals strength, and then I'm gonna do plus player dot get strength plus new line int player dot int plus intel, I think it was called, dot new line. What were the stats again? I forgot. Player stats. I'm just gonna copy it. Dex and defense. I'm probably gonna add more stats later on. I don't know what all the stats I'm going to be are, but for now I'm just going on with the basics, I think. I could add perception as well, but I don't know what I would even do for perception. Defense plus player dot defense. There we go. There we go. Update stats. Update stat text. Oh, whoops. I delete all that. Update stat text. Okay. Update stat text. There we go. There we go. Now I need to assign actual stats to these things. So let me do at export, I think. At export. This is just for testing purposes. I probably won't export in the final result. I probably won't export. These are all going to be ints. These are all going to be ints. Because they're not going to be like floats or anything. So they're all going to be ints. So strength is going to be 10. This is going to be 10. This is going to be 10. And this is going to be 10. Alright, we'll show our stats on screen now. Let's show this. Let's show my stats. Oh, my game crashed. Why did it crash? String. I think we need to turn all this to string first, I think. String. I need to turn all this into a string or else... Oh, what the fuck do you guys see? Let me turn this into a string. Turn this into a string. Let me turn this into a string. And once those are all strings, I should be able to run the game. Let me run this. Let me show you guys actually. I gotta make sure to like display my screen. Alright, we have I mean, it works. It works. It does work, but I forgot to put a new line here. It does work. Eventually, I'm gonna make it so you can like increase your stats and stuff. You increase your strength, your integer, not integer, your intelligence, your dexterity, your defense and stuff. I'm gonna make it so you can add all that later. But for now, I think that's good. I think that is good so far. This is a pretty standard start, I will say. Pretty standard start. I will make this so it aligns itself at the center. Well, make this align itself at the center. And then I can, I guess I could just align this at the center. And then I'm going to copy this. This is going to update, this is going to be bar text. Or like, what do you call HP and MP? These are like the value. You know what? I'll just call it HP stat. I'll just call this other stat text. I'll call this other stat text because I don't know what else to call it. These are the other stats. These are the other stats like health and stamina and stuff. Other stat text. I probably won't update stamina in here. I'll probably update like health and stuff. Actually, you know what? I don't need this. I actually don't need this. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna need that. Okay, now that I have a basic stat system, I need a equipment system as well. Gonna create this into its own scene. Equipment.scene. Equipment needs to go into the equipment folder. I mean the scene folder, because everything needs to be in the scene folder, you know? Alright. Well, make sure to stay hydrated as well, guys. Make sure to stay hydrated. What the hell? Why can I not open the scene? What the hell? What is happening? Function failed. Returning error. What? Huh? I'm so confused. Equipment.scene. Okay, there it is. I don't know why it was giving me an error earlier. Maybe if I delete this. Yeah, okay, let me just delete this. I think it was because I moved my scene or something. Okay, I'm gonna attach a script to this. Attach script. This can be equipment script. This is basically what the player has in his cannot open save file. It's been, huh? Why am I getting so many issues, man? What the fuck? I'm gonna close this, I guess. I'm trying to save and I'm getting an error, but whatever. I'm gonna move this in script. I don't know why. I just get random errors sometimes, and it's really bothering me, but whatever. Okay. Okay, how am I gonna display the actual equipment to the player here? I'm gonna first change the size of this. I'm gonna make this 1920 by 1080. 1920 by 1080. And then I'm gonna put the background in as usual. And then I'll probably change all the I'll probably display all the like different things that it's equipped in. Alright. Okay. I think I'm probably gonna end it here today, I've made some, progress, I would say. I made some progress. I made it so you can equip weapons now. My, progress is very slow, I will say. The slow progress I've made today, but I made it so you can equip weapons. That's pretty good progress, right? That's pretty good progress in 3 hours of work. I literally spent most of my time debugging, honestly. I spent most of my time today debugging, so, yeah. That's not good, I will say. It's not very good to, like, spend 3 hours debugging. But, at least I got things to work, you know. At least I got things to work. Where's the cheese? I don't know. I'm starting to notice less and less cheese nowadays. I don't know. Maybe it's just me, but I'm starting to notice a lot less cheese. And that's not good, because cheese is very good, you know? We want more cheese, not less cheese. But here we are. We got it. We have our system. We have a very simple like HUD system here. We can show the stats. We can see our inventory. We can eventually, hopefully, I want to get the system working where I can work on where I can update the equipment, where it can display the equipment, current equipment and stuff. That's what I want to eventually do. But yeah. I think I'm done here for today, I think I'm done. Thank you guys for joining. I don't know if I'm going to be giving up on this game or not because I don't think I'm not sure if I can complete this game or not. I will have to see. Like, I think I managed to fix the crash, so it won't crash anymore. But it still leaves me with my optimization issue. My optimization issue still exists, so that is a problem. Also, I think my issue with the sword glitching through the floor is back because of the fact I changed. I removed the jolt engine. I changed back to default physics, so I'm not using the jolt physics anymore. So I think the physics is still the physics is still broken. The physics is still broken now because of that. Because of the fact that I changed back to defaults. Okay, that spear didn't even like glitch out. It just straight up disappeared. The fucking spear straight up disappeared. It didn't even glitch out. It just disappeared. Like, it just vanished. It just, like, the sword, when you jump on the sword, it at least, like, it glitches out a bit before it disappears. Like, it glitches out before it disappears. The spear straight up just, like, fucking disappears. See that? Okay, that glitched out a bit. The spear just straight up disappears. Wait, let me, if I have to land on it correctly. I need to land on it correctly. Can we get on it? Yeah, there we go. It just disappears, man. It just disappears. But I think I made some decent progress, I guess. My progress is very slow because I'm working on things I have never worked on before. I've never really worked on an inventory system before, so I've never worked on that. So that was very difficult for me. So I think this is like my third stream working on inventory and stats, I think. So my progress isn't great, I'll say that. But anyways, I am done. Like I said, I am ending the stream here. I think this was a relatively productive stream because at least I managed to add something. It wasn't just complete emptiness, at least. At least I did something. So I think I'm going to end it here. Thank you guys for joining once again. I am going to end my stream here. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye, everybody. Thank you guys for joining. Bye-bye.